You carry machete. One go keep person. See, make I tell you, we don't keep person. You see that cricket, I don't go there, go spend 10 years. If you keep person, now there we go waste your life.
I no go suffer for this life. Train person, man, that person go carry am. You hear me? Okay. Heads go roll today. They go know who I be for this.
I go on.
Is your don't keep person, oh. If this I go suffer finish, another person will go carry am. When they do that one, heads go roll today. No sir, no dey play.
Hi, what is she doing inside? Omalicha, come now, come out. You know if this boy gets here now, it will be a different story. Hey!
I'm coming, oh.
Hey!
Oh, she's coming.
Una, please, when you people get to the city, greet your parents for me. Huh?
All right, Mama, I will.
And Biko, take good care of my daughter. You know she's a good girl.
I know, Mama, and you know I love Omalicha, your daughter, so much, so...
Omalicha!
Mama, I'm here! I'm here, Mama.
You know if this boy comes here now, kata will bust.
Mama, Agum is not that toxic. Come on. Sick.
I know you will defend him.
Let's go now.
No problem. Naba go do no. Naba na choro mo oku no ka. Hey. Na banye banye.
Ma, like I said, I'll take good care of her and we'll keep in touch.
Okay, I'm a he get mengu din pa ke mo. Ezigbo nwa. Start ya. Jabanu. Jabanu.
Mama Malika!
Chimo!
Mama Malika! Mama Malika! You're running, eh? You're running, eh, back! You're running! If you know where you have kept her, you better go and bring her back home. Because I will not live and watch another man enjoy my investment. I will stay here and wait for her. Unu check amonyembo.
Hey! Ojide chekwa na mbiko. Hey, akonwa. Hey, noro dia. Noro.
Mama, me, it won't happen.
Agumwa has done so much for my mother and I. So I can't just forget him. Not like this. I know things are not the way I planned them. But I really love him.
You're baby, so beautiful.
Why do you always flatter me?
I'm not flattering you, I'm telling you the truth. You know, I can do anything in this world to keep my love for you forever.
There he goes again. But I love you too. And God will continue to keep you forever. Nothing will happen to you.
Amen. I will take care of you. Anything you need. I will take care of your schooling. I will take care of your mother. I will do everything to the last, even buying your undies.
You don't even know my size. Stop.
Look at this one. Who's been going in there every night? They play.
I insist you do not know my size.
Don't worry until I show up with it.
Now. Are you sure? Don't tell me you're serious.
Look at this one. I'm serious now.
Oh, baby, thank you. Mama. Okay, Mama. See, before I go, I want to say thank you for everything you've been doing for me and my mother ever since my father died. Thank you for taking care of us.
Don't worry, I'll do more, okay? Go and answer Mama, let me continue. Alright.
Bye-bye. Mama, I'm coming!
Mama! Nani, thank you. Thank you for what you have been doing for my daughter and I. May my God bless you. Yes. Okay, I don't have appetite. I will try and eat because of you. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, yes, I need to go. Mama, you want to lie there again? You just told him that you will eat.
Oh, I told you I don't have appetite.
Mama, so I will suffer myself and cook under hot sun. And you don't want to eat the food. I don't know. Have you forgotten that you need to take your drugs? Besides, when we go to the clinic later, what will you tell the doctor? You need to eat, oh, Mama. Or do you want me to call Agunwa back and let me even call him? Let me tell him.
Don't worry.
So will you eat?
I will eat small.
No problem. Do you want to come inside or do you want me to bring it here?
Anyone you want to do.
Okay, let me not stress you. Just relax. Let me go and get the food for you, okay?
Okay.
Mama, you eat it too.
Yes,
Come in.
Small.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This watermelon.
Okay.
And one pineapple. How much be watermelon?
1.5.
Last now.
I have bring 1.2.
1.2 last. This one,
Same price. Might be same price.
okay, I go take 2 of them. Make I go bring the money in the evening.
Oh, you're doing.
Madam,
Which kind of rubbish be that one?
I said I go bring the money in the evening. I know they buy you something before.
No buy. Oh, I know they sell crazy. Even the people that are owing me, I don't even know them till now. Oh, they go next.
But they buy you something before, they pay you your money now.
And so?
You know what say give me?
I know they sell credit. I know sell. Oh, they go next time.
Oh yeah, now make her dey go.
You don't get money, but you have money to last.
Wait till you talk.
What?
No, talk that thing when you talk. It is I don't hear what you talk.
You want beat me?
Wait till you talk now.
You want beat me?
No, insult me because I come buy food for something for you.
Beat me.
If you provoke me, madam, you don't go like him.
I say beat me.
Make her beat you now, man. Make her beat you,
Beat me. Beat me. On top of the credit you want buy. Now you want come beat me for my shop.
Now let you they sell you don't know they even fresh like other people.
Oh, you know they fresh, but you want come buy them. Rubbish. Go and know they sell credit.
You
Go.
Okay.
Go. Credit man.
Hello, Bim. The deadline is fast approaching. I don't know what else to do. Thank you. Thank you, Obi. Thank you so much. You just lifted a huge weight off my shoulder. Thank you. God bless you. Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye. God, please just bless him for my sake. He passes through so much because of me. God, please continue to keep him safe for me. And Obim, don't worry. I promise I will love you forever. Nothing will ever happen to our love. In fact, may I die the day I look at another man. Yeah!
Omalicham, what is wrong? Your face is not looking good.
Oh, babe. It's 2 days left. And I haven't even...
The deadline, Adi. I understand and I'm doing everything possible. Don't worry, you will not miss it. See, this is 13,000 from the jobs that I have done. Hold it. Mazindoka, I worked for him. He's owing me 7,000. I said I should come and collect it this evening. So right from his house, I'll bring it straight to you. So you can settle. You don't have any problem. You know you are the only thing I have in this world now.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I appreciate all that I've done without you.
This is just the beginning, you know.
Thank you.
Don't worry, come. Once you finish school, I will buy drink and come and meet your people so I can do the traditional marriage.
Even if you don't bring drink, I don't mind.
There's no way I will not bring drink. You want people to laugh at you?
No.
I will not let anybody. I will do everything they are doing. You will do your traditional marriage. You will dance.
Very well.
With your big girls. Don't worry, okay? Omalicham,
Babe.
you are the best thing that has happened to me.
Oh, you are the best thing that has happened to me.
Omalicha, you mean I go and give you money for the registration?
Ha! I'm speechless, so. Hey, I was surprised. Agunwa, he's such a true and genuine man. And I love him so much.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
But have you asked him or do you know the reason why he's doing all this?
I don't understand.
Omalicha, will you want to spend the rest of your life with Agunwa?
What kind of question is that one now? Here, who's talking about marriage? I've not even entered into the university. And you're talking about marriage. You wait until I graduate from school first. But as for Agunwa, I love him. And I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with him.
Clean your mind.
What's
God
that?
forbid. I reject it for my enemy. Talk more of my friend. Say God forbid.
What's that now? I love him and that's what counts. And yes, I want to spend the rest of my life with him. Is it your life? It's not my life.
Omalicha. Well, I reserve my comment for now.
If you like, comment your reserve for now.
Agunwa.
Yes, my Agu. My investment, as he fondly calls me. So, just try and get love small.
I don't blame you. If Agunwa is the kind of love you're talking about, I reject it 100 times.
That's your business. You don't even get a good man like him in the first place. What's that?
Me. Me. Roots of life. Root of life. You don't know. Well, so have you registered?
Yes, I have. You know, I'm just reading 1 or 2. You know now, the effort he put into all of this, man. I'm just trying so that I'll use it judiciously. Because it's a lot. I know what he had to go through, all the sacrifices he made just for me to, you know, feel like he wasted his time and energy on me. So I want to try and make him happy always.
Okay. Who is Agunwa? Answer me now. Agunwa's wife to be. Okay. Please climb and bring Govales.
What's the meaning of that? Oh, babe. You've been an inspiration to me. A shoulder I lean on whenever I'm down. What more can I ask for? And I bless the day the heavens brought you into my life. Your voice in my life can never be silenced. No way! Ha! God forbid, I curse the day that I will leave you. I will never ever leave you for another man. Of course, we'll be together forever.
Oh, my love, thank you so much for the form. I've gotten it. I finally got it today, yes. I won't disappoint you, I promise. I love you, love you, love you, love you too. No, Mama is not here with me. I'm the only one here. And I'm telling you, I love you, Mama is here. Okay. Alright. I love you too, Obim.
Now, can you not call this thing? No, they talk like this now.
Now, why I say you the crazy? Huh? We made a bet now. And Manchester United lost. So you have to pay me.
You talk say if Manchester win, I go pay you. If Tottenham win, you go pay me. Eventually they play draw, nobody win. You still want make I pay you money?
Oga, Manchester, the best that if Manchester United win, they not win. You're supposed to pay me
like
now.
say this beer where you drink from Madame Ikeba, don't they disturb your head?
See, you must give me my money now. What is this one now?
I'll give you your money.
Now. Because I win now. You see, I don't want this is your problem. Give me my money. I'm not looking at I'm not. You must give my money.
Who give you your money? Eh? It's my...
Yeah, must give me my money.
Yang dia bukan this boy yo. 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 Dia bukan this boy yo.
I make you bad. Yeah, my money.
It's okay now. You people don't pass this thing when they do now. I don't understand. Eh? How you people fighting?
Me and you go.
I'm that.
I talk with me, man. You make them. Can't not say something here. You make them. Now, okay. Come on, no working now. Now, okay, I'm here. Guy. I don't want. You don't make them. Who am the head? Who am you see?
I go back tell him no.
Who am you see? I go back.
Give me now. Give me.
Mama, no. You need to beg too much.
Oh yeah, give me. It's me.
Mama, no.
Okay.
Oh yeah, take.
Give me.
You cannot say no.
So, what I was saying, when you get to this university, you are going to go to. When you get there, please, I want you to keep your book. You know how long it took Agunwa to save up this money that he gave you to buy this form? Because do not fail him. And don't fail me too, your mother.
Mama. No, you're here preaching heaven and earth. You wait first. Let me enter into the university first. I'm not even written the exam. I already preaching. If I now manage to not pass the exam, what will not happen? You will bring both Pope and everybody to come and talk to me.
I know why I'm saying this.
Mama, why?
You know I never had the opportunity of furthering my education. You that has seen someone who is ready to train you up to university level. Biko, don't play with it. I know that you will see boys there. They will even come to distract you. But Biko, know why you are there. Remember where you're coming from.
What is this about men? Why do you think I would just... So you don't even trust me again, me, your daughter. So you think all I would do in this life is when I just get to let him bar, just be seeing all the men and be calling all of them. One man will I see that will beat Agunwa? I don't understand. Mama, please. It's me plus Agunwa. Omalicha, Agunwa, together forever. Yes, no limit transfer.
I believe you. I believe you.
Better believe it. Nothing will ever happen to the bottom.
Mama Molcha, you need to come and see. Agunwa wants to kill Aguba. Omalisha, you need to come and stop your boyfriend before he kills somebody.
Hey!
You need to come and stop your boyfriend.
What is wrong with Agunwa Bikono? Hi!
Help him. Yeah. Obi, you promised not to fight anymore. Why did you fight on the streets again?
Did you expect me to allow him insult you and Mama like that?
Baby, I know you love me so much, but at times you need to let some certain things go.
No, not this kind of one. How can you insult you and Mama like that? Because of what?
Okay, what led to the fight? What happened?
It was because of the money me and him bet over the match that played today.
Okay.
And nobody won it. He's now insisting I'll give him my own money. I said no, and he began to insult you and Mama. Who they do that kind of thing?
Oh, well, I understand, but you should know the kind of person Aguba is, right? He is a village gossip, a local one at that.
Baby, I know, but
you don't have to stoop so low. Look at you. See how roughened you are. Eh? Look, see. This thing will swell tomorrow. Eh, baby? At times you just let all these things slide, please. Eh? You don't have to fight anymore. Promise me you won't fight again.
I will not allow him insult you.
Yes, but he will. Baby, please now.
It's okay. I will not fight again. I promise you.
I know you've exhausted a lot of calories fighting. So let me go back inside and prepare something for you.
Omale Cham. My investment.
I know.
Hey! I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Because of you now, my anger have come.
I know. That's what I'm here for.
Dog. I beg, I need a painkiller and pad.
Pad?
Do quick now.
What for?
Just it is important, I beg.
You know that the last one that you bought, you are still owing me.
I know. I will bring you that money this evening. I promise you. But this one is important now, I beg.
But I can't.
Nah, me, I beg you this thing. I said I will bring you the money. Oh, okay, take my phone as collateral. If I bring the money, give me back.
There's nothing valuable that you are holding.
I beg.
There's nothing valuable.
I beg. This is very important. I beg.
Okay, you know what will happen. I will go for the phone.
Okay, thank you.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
Ago, this is the pad that you asked for.
Put it inside.
And this is the drugs that you asked for.
Thank you. I'll come back this evening, I beg, please.
I don't play with my money.
Don't sell my phone, no, please.
I will not sell it, but bring my money.
Baby. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling pain.
Are you serious? No. Don't worry, I got the medicine.
How about the pad? Did you get it?
Yes, I got it also. I get it.
Obi, no! What are you doing?
I want it.
No. Thank you. I'll just go inside, clean up, then you use it.
Can I come with you?
No, babe. No, you can't come with me. I'll clean up, then I'll come back out, okay? I love you.
I love you too. So in case you need anything, shout. Oh.
I love you, baby. I'm here.
Okay.
Silver and gold, I know get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you. Baby, no, carry me there, go. Mama, my lover.
Baby, are you okay?
I go do anything.
Omalita? Are you okay? Who is this one now? Hello?
Agunwa, it be like say you don't dey play with your work, abi?
Supervisor, sorry, Oga, sorry. I get family emergency and I carry me come out, but I go come back soon. You
dey mad. So if to say I no give you that money, make you go collect that phone. You for the cry for road the waka. I don't give you money, make you go collect phone now. You don't dey there. You don't come up for work since. And like someone wanted to pay you.
I mean you dey tell whether they mad.
Yeah?
I tell you say I get emergency come out, go do one thing. Now you dey install, you dey crazy. Why you go to talk to me like that? What did they worry? Your head correct like this? Don't they try am because of 1 year work? How much they pay me?
Agunwa, you get mad, they shout, follow me, they tell me say they mad. If I ever see you near my site again, I go arrest you. You be idiot. Come on for my phone.
How about the one? Okay. This man got phone for me. Baby.
What is it? I heard you shouting on the phone. Where are you shouting at?
It's not that foolish supervisor. Because I told him I came to see you to attend to family emergency. He sacked me on the phone.
Oh my God. That means it's serious.
Don't worry, baby. Don't worry, okay? I will get another job. Are you okay now?
I'm getting better. You know what? Let me just go in and prepare something for you to eat.
No, I'm preparing for who to who.
Why?
You will sit down here and collect fresh air. I will be the one that will go inside and prepare something for you to eat. Inugo?
Are you sure?
Don't worry. Sit your pretty self down.
Okay.
Omalicha Beke. Let me go and prepare it. I'll be back.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Mama, please now, calm down. Sorry. Mama, please get away from me now, Mama. Don't. Mama, sorry. Mama, it's okay. Is my medicine remaining?
Mama, no, I gave you the last one earlier.
Hi,
Mama, please, you have to get well now. Get well, you have to help yourself. Mama, please don't do this to me now. Why are you doing like this? Mama,
please call Agunwa for me. Mama, I don't know how I'm feeling.
Mama, can you stop? What will Aguma do for you again? Now, you have tried his best now.
I'm feeling hot and cold.
If she knows that Mama is still sick, he will come.
Please call him.
Okay, Mama is fine. I'll call for you, okay? Ruth, please hold her head for me. Mama, please, you have to get well for me, Mama. Please, just get well. Please take care of my mother. Just rush and go and meet her. Yes, I will. Mama, now, she'll be fine. Go. Okay. Mama, I'm coming. Let me call him. Mama, please careful, Mama. Yes, I am going. Mama, please, I'm coming. Mama, I'm coming.
Stop saying that you're dying. You're not going
I'm
to die.
not dying.
I don't want to die.
You will not die.
I can't leave my daughter.
Stop it now. Then get better. Fight it. Tell the sickness that you want to get better.
Mama will be fine. Why are you still making face?
My dear, I'm just tired. I'm tired of these her ailments today, in and out. I'm just so exhausted. But I want to thank you. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I also want you to help me thank Obim. I don't know what I would do without him. My Obim has saved my life so many times. He's been of so much help to my mother and I. But I have a little problem. My mother's surgery. The doctor says that he needs to operate on her abdomen immediately. But I don't have any money saved anywhere. Like I just said, Obim has done so much for me and my mother. I can't even bring myself to asking him for help anymore. Will he kill himself simply because he loves me? Where am I going to get this money from? At this point, I am so confused. My head is going in circles. I just wish I don't know. I don't know what I wish for at the moment. I really don't know. I'm tired.
Oh, manager, why are you bothering yourself? But he told you have some savings that he will bring that will help. So why are you bothering yourself?
Ruth, because he has some savings left, I should also take that one from him.
You're not forcing him now. He's doing it willingly. Are you forcing him? You're not forcing him. He's just doing it because he loves you. So accept it.
Anyway, thank you for helping me look after Mama. You're also a lifesaver. I mean, who would I leave her with? What would I do if you're not here with me?
Why are you thanking me? Are you not my sister and is Mama not my mother? I've told you to stop thanking me whenever I do something for you. I'm doing it for my sister and I'm doing it for my mother. Though we do not share the same blood, but I see you as my sister and Mama as my mother. So stop thanking me each time I do something for you.
Promise.
Okay, you're my sister.
Let's go.
Mama. Mama. Remember everything.
Mama.
Please. Remember where you're coming from. Please. Do not disappoint me. And I know when you get there, study hard. Omalicha Biko, don't bring shame onto me. Study hard. Remember your roots. Remember where you're coming from. Ruth, you too. Both of you should study hard. Remember the way your mother raised you.
Yes, Mama.
Look after your sister. Both of you should be each other's eyes and ears.
Mama, no one is fighting war now.
I know what I'm saying, And if you see her with any man, don't hesitate to tell me.
Mama.
Very well.
Which one is man again? Okay, how will you know if I'm with a man now?
You forgot that Mama is spiritual sometimes.
What kind of spiritual?
I'm a boy. You people, you don't even have any reason to fail. You know that.
Mama.
Remember, Agunwa is involved.
I know.
You cannot fail us.
Mama, I've heard you. I will take care of myself and I will read her.
Please do that.
Thank you very much.
Mama, please, we have to go now. You know it's getting late, so that we'll get to the park quickly.
I thought Agunwa was supposed to come and see you off to the park.
Yes, Mama, he was supposed to, but I don't want to bother him. You can see it's getting late and it's a really long journey. So and besides, we are not even kids that will say, okay, must escort us to the park.
Oh yeah, gossiper of the year.
Talk of the devil.
Hey! Come on in the making. Hey!
Mama, the child.
Give me the
Don't worry.
Agunwa.
You're set to go, Mama.
I said, I'm
back from you. You're set to go.
Yes,
But I told you to wait for me to bring you some items.
I know, I didn't want to bother you. Besides, you've done enough for us already.
Ose bother. Look at this one.
See, you people, the way you do this, your love, you just remind me as I used to do in those days with my Okoro Baba.
Mama, who is Okoro Baba?
I'm in love.
Mama,
this is Okoro Baba. It's past.
Omalicha, remember what I said. Omalicha, don't go there and follow Manu.
You heard what Mama said, though. Don't go there and follow Manu. Biko kwa.
So you don't trust me?
Biko kwa. I'm repeating what Mama said.
Oh, really? Okay, fine, I've heard. I will not follow man. I will study very hard.
Amen.
I'll make sure I pass on by exam.
Amen.
Are you satisfied, Mama?
Yes.
Can we leave now?
Yes.
It's late.
Let's go. Mama, let me see them off to the park. Ogini. What do you want to do? You want to spoil your skin? No, don't worry.
Thank you.
Omalicha, let's go.
Is it only me that will be in this?
Mama, don't worry now. When they have vacation, she will come and see you.
I'll be coming for you. Yes, I'll be
But anything you need, Mama, as long as I'm in this village, let me know. I'll bring it for you.
Don't worry.
You know, go.
Take care.
Thank you,
Mama,
Bye-bye.
My investment.
Mama.
Don't worry.
Mama.
Don't worry. Lavia.
Mama, take care. So don't worry, I will send message across, Bye-bye, Mama. Let me hurry up. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, no.
Listen, babe. It's okay, alright? I mean, all those are in the past now. If you ask me, well, I'll say he tried. Yeah, I admit he tried. But come on. That is what every man will do for a woman he loves. Okay? Like I said, that's in the past now. I'm here. Okay? I'm willing to double everything. I mean, whatever you think you did for you and for Mama. I promise you that. I mean, you can't possibly decide to spend the rest of your life with a poor man, a wretched man, a man whose future is not even defined.
You still don't understand that he did so much for me, and I made him that promise. I promised him that I was going to love him.
I will stay with him through thick and thin.
Come on, babe. And who said I was going to leave you for another woman? I'm here. Listen, just follow me. Okay? Follow me and I'll make sure you enjoy all the beautiful things of this world, just as beautiful as you are. Alright? I will ensure you lack nothing.
It's not as easy as you think. He was genuinely nice to me. I can't just... Do you want me to pay him back with this? I don't think it's fair.
Babe, come on. Alright? I mean, like I said, all these are in the past now. Everything he did for you, bygone, I'm here. Look, you're a good woman. Okay? I know things were not going as planned, but I need you to understand that you deserve the best. I'm here to make sure you enjoy every good thing of life. Everything. Listen, my dad owns cars, mansions, companies, you name them, all over the world, everywhere you can think of. Alright, look, I just want to bring you into a world of riches and affluence. I know you want that, babe. Because I know every woman in her right senses would want that. You're a good woman. You deserve the best. I want to make sure that you lack nothing. I'll provide everything for you. Alright? I mean, ending up with Agonwa will only bring you pain, sorrow, misery. Of course you wouldn't want that.
And I hope to God I'm not making the biggest mistake right now.
Come on, babe. Stop saying that, please. You're not. You're not making any mistake. You only chose the best part of life. Alright? You chose riches, happiness, peace. Okay? Alright, you know what? I can go beyond my limit, okay, just to make you happy. You know, I can, you know, get him a job just so he can better his miserable life. That's if you want that, though. Yeah, that reminds me. I'm thinking, you know, maybe, I'm just thinking, you work for me. I mean, you work in my company and I'll pay you. I'll pay you for all your services.
Wow. If I indeed decide to work, I'd rather work for your father.
Why?
Nothing, I just...
Listen, babe. Whether you choose to work for you or my father, I'm okay, I'm fine. I just want you to be happy. Okay?
Thank you.
Look at me. I love you.
Thank you.
Just share, okay?
Over my dead body, I will suffer and another man will reap my investment. Over my dead body, I don't let her happen. Omalita is mine and she must be mine. She's my investment. Nobody will take her away from me.
Agonwa. Ago, what is happening? Are you sleeping? Ago. What are you looking for? Take it easy now, eh?
What are you looking for?
Calm down, Ago. Butu, I came in peace. I came to sympathize with you now. You know you are my guy.
To sympathize with me over what?
Over what happened now? We both know that she's in a good place now. So calm down. Hey, calm down, calm down.
Agoba, so you walked all the way from your house to my place to come and insult me?
No. No, I came in peace now. You know you are my guy. My guy, Agoma.
I will use you to vent my frustrations. You for wait for me, make sure I go use your head. Do this afternoon. Idiot. You carry yourself, come my house, come insult me. Make us see you again. Nobody will take Omalicha from me. Not while I'm alive. Nobody could do it.
I never seen this coming. Never seen this coming. This is too much on me. This is too much on me.
I thought you ordered for something.
No, I didn't.
Why? Babe, listen. You have to eat something, okay? You're not eating anything since you got here.
I'm not hungry.
And why would you say that? Babe, look. I won't let you starve yourself. You need to eat something. Please.
Can you just please stop? When I feel the pangs of hunger, I'll definitely order something. Okay?
Listen, babe. I understand, okay? I understand that sometimes it's difficult to let go of the one we love. Alright? But what we don't understand is that God might be planning something beautiful entirely for you. You know? Listen, I promise you, from today henceforth, I will be at your beck and call. I will provide you with everything you need, everything you deserve. Love, money, time, affection. Alright? Look, sometimes in life, the mistakes we make turns out to be our biggest blessings, you know? You left Agua because Grace found you. I promise, you will not regret moving in with me. And as for Mama, as soon as we get married, I'll fly her abroad to make sure she gets the best of treatment from the best doctors. Alright? You will not regret this. Just do this with me, baby. Please.
This is too much on me. This is too much on me.
You are the cause of this thing. You are the cause of all this pain and misery. You are the cause. I will kill kill you any day I set my eyes on you. Honey, what is going on? Huh? It's past midnight.
But I know he will come back.
You know he will come back?
Yes. Just calm down. Come.
So, what made you so sure that he will come back? Look, your
I've been trying to call his numbers, but they are not reachable. But I know he will come back. That's why we come.
Listen, woman. Your body language is telling me that you know something. Please, spew it out. What do you know that I don't know?
Yes. Yes. Hey, I remember that he said he will be going to the village to pick Omalija.
Omalija?
Yes.
Who is Omalija?
Omalija is that young girl he wants to get married to. Hey, did you know that he has gotten into a fight with that mad boy? Hey, God. Oh, God.
Honey?
Please, protect my son.
What mad boy are you talking about? Young man, mad boy. Who is that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I didn't tell you about it because I know you'll be mad at me. But I'm sure that he'll come back. God.
No. Things have been happening and you kept them away from me?
Sorry.
Ha! You did this one. You better find my son.
Am I not about to make the biggest mistake of my life? Who will I run to for advice? My mother has already consented with the plans to marry J-Boy. Ruth, on the other hand, is not even in the best position to provide any solution because her mind has been beclouded with the idea of settling with a rich man. What a world. Obi, I'm so sorry for betraying our love and friendship. I honestly love you, Agu. But right now, J-Boy, he has been confessing his profound love for me ever since I met him, showering me with all kinds of gifts. He's even promised me a good job, flying Mama to the best hospital in the world, which has always been my dream. Dear God, can you show me a sign, please? I need help at this point. Agu is a kind man, but J-Boy...
For wait, oh my child. That guy really loves you.
What do you mean?
I mean Jay.
In case you've forgotten, I'm still dating Aguma. And we'll remain that way and probably get married if destiny chooses us.
You know this is an opportunity for you. Aguma has paid his dues. You're in school. Aguma is not here. He's not monitoring you. This is an opportunity for you to explore. That guy is the biggest guy in campus here. Does Aguma have that kind of car?
Well, I'm not interested.
Manager, you love Aguma. Yes. But you know you can be dating Aguma and be dating Jay. Since Aguma does not have money, you'll be dating Aguma for love and be dating Jay for money. You collect money from Jay and give to Aguma. He will appreciate it too.
Are you okay? Are you? Like, seriously, Ruth? Well, I'm not interested. You know what? I trust Aguma. He will definitely bounce back. It's not money. Someday pretty soon, I trust him. He will bounce back.
Bounce back? What do you mean by bounce back? Aguma was never rich before now. Bounce back is for people that are rich. Aguma is a poor man and he will still remain a poor man. So what's he bouncing back to? See, accept Jay and accept new things. The kind of men you want is the ones that will shower you with love, gifts like cars, or not the one that will be carrying Gary on their head. Amalicham, I came to give you Gary. Or the ones that will be fighting people in the village because of you. That's not the kind of gifts we're talking. We're talking about money, cars. Expect go to Dubai. If you travel, will your village people run away?
FYI, Aguma has been catering for me in case you haven't noticed. Yes, I like him because he carries the Gary, he carries the rice, he fights for me. He does of it. That's what it means to care for someone and care about someone. And from the same Gary, you've been dragging in this room every time. You've been looking for meek, all those things. It's not from the same Gary Aguma.
Now I'm managing. So it's Gary that you eat all your life. It's Gary that you want to be eating all your life.
Please, I love my Aguma. And nothing in this world will tear us apart. We'll remain together forever.
You get it. If it's Gary that is making me fresh, I will go and punch. My friend, do you know if I like Jay, it's Jay, pick it. Pick it now.
Last time I checked, Aguma bought this phone for me. He didn't buy it for us. So I decide who to take calls from, when to take my calls, how I take my calls. This is none of your business, okay?
Is this phone? This Pasala? Let me tell you, this is not phone. This is a pass my neighbor Nokia Touch. When you call phone, you'll be calling like iPhone 15, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12. Not Samsung, no, this Tecno sharp phone. Not this I pass my neighbor iPhone, the Nokia Touch is what you're calling phone. Pick it though. Hi, Jay, good evening.
Where is Omalicha? Is she not with her phone?
Oh, she's taking her bath.
Oh, it's fine. I just wanted to know when she's free so we can grab lunch, you know?
Yes, she can go for lunch, yes.
But my fear is if she will not go with me. You know how hard she can be sometimes.
What are you doing?
Yes, she will accept. She's not doing anything. Once she comes out from the bathroom, I'll tell her. She'll just send the venue. She'll come and meet you. Okay, Jay, don't forget to give Omalicha something to bring for me. Something like shawarma, turkey or chicken.
All right.
Thank you very much.
What was that for?
When you heard me, I said you're taking your bath. So please enter that bathroom, take your bath, wear your clothes and come and start going.
Are you mad? I'm not going anywhere.
Mad and pushing you to good thing. Mad and pushing you out from poverty to wealth.
Ruth, since you're this desperate about wealth, why don't you just go in there, take your bath, get dressed and go on a date instead, because I am not interested.
Makachuku, let me tell you something. If you say I get eye for J, I for don't go by. If I through the corners, I for don't go says. See you, this ain't be at the look. And because of say I don't like him. If you say I like him, I for don't go behind you, go run him.
Come on, don't you think it would be a very good match? Both of you, couple of the year. You're very much single, and from the look of things, is pretty much desperate. So, that's right, babe. Couple of the year. What do you think?
You know you're missing something. See big opportunity that is standing in front of you, knocking. You just for you to open door that is not even locked. Just open door and the opportunity will come. You don't want. You want to go and die with Agunwa.
Not interested, okay? If you want to go on the date, be my guest. As for me, I'm just gonna stay here and take a pretty good nap.
It's not going to happen.
And have fun.
See, better go and bring my shawarma and my district. Look, I'm joking with you. Auntie, come and go and bring my shawarma.
Roots, I have not beaten
you. Yeah, I will beat you. Go and bring my shawarma.
You want to come here, right?
Hey.
You know, I think I should just call Agunwa. I think that's better.
And do what? Oh. And come and fight the entire school because of you. You think this place is village? This place is not village, oh. This is city. Go and bring my shawarma, my friend. See, I've told you
what is this? Now leave me alone.
I've told you that you're coming. Go and bring my shawarma.
Coordinator!
I don't get money to pay. I don't get money to pay. You go pay for me.
Coordinator!
You go pay for me.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you. Baby, mo, carry me there, go. Mama, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, Mama, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world. Investment. People come and see my world. Investment. My lollipop. I don't want to lose you, my dear. Nothing can come in between us. I love you beyond anything, baby, more. I love to see you happy, love you more. If I lose you, my dear, I will run mad, yo. From here till you see them, I go do anything for you, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover, my lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world, investment. Come and see. The most beautiful, my world, investment. We shall be together till the end of the time. No one can take you away from me. You are my happiness, you are my joy. I thank the heaven for bringing you to me. You are my inspiration.
Thank you.
Come on, man. What is this? Thank you. I've told you to stop thanking me.
Thank you.
Listen, I love you, okay? I love you so much. I mean, you are the best thing that ever happened to me. And I'm certain that my parents will be super excited with my choice.
Well, I think we should take it slow for now. I mean, let's not make our intentions known to them yet.
Come on, babe. Why? I mean, why would you say that? Look, Monica, I want to marry you, okay? I want to spend the rest of my life with you. As a matter of fact, I want you to be the mother of my children. I mean, you're beautiful.
Well,
you are awesome in all ramifications, babe. I can't stand another one taking you away from me.
Well, I don't think we should be discussing about marriage for now. I feel like we should get done with school first. So I'm just saying that we should take it slow for now. I don't know.
Alright, it's okay, no problem. I won't defy your decision, okay? It's okay, it's fine.
Thank you.
I'll give you the time.
Can you concentrate while you're driving?
With you, I cannot concentrate. So, babe, I forgot to ask you, what's your favorite color?
Any color?
Any color.
Sure.
You're just like my mother. She loves any color. And to think that you guys have some similarities, you know? And to think of that you and my mom actually have some similarities, you know? I'm sure she will definitely accept you when she gets to meet you in person, you know? I told her so much about you.
Thanks. That's nice.
So, is it a yes? So we're going to see her this weekend?
No, actually I have lectures. I'm sorry.
You have lectures on weekends? I don't understand.
Actually, yeah, I mean, there's some lecturers who do not come during weekdays. They just give us the course outline and give us some test books to, you know, make it up during the weekends. And it's just like filler courses, if you know what I mean. Like that's why I have to go for lectures during the weekends.
Alright, so when do you suggest? When do you feel we should go and see her?
Next week perhaps.
Come on, next week.
Yeah, next week.
Dude, that's kind of far. Alright, it's okay. I'm okay. Your wishes might come out, so next week then. Please don't disappoint me this time.
I'll try. I mean, no, yeah, I won't.
Alright. So how about a friend? Let's see it.
Well, Mama, I'm so confused.
Hey! This is so confusing now.
Mama, the thing is, I just don't want to hurt Ago.
Hey! But since he has made his intentions known, I think you should give him a try.
Mama, considering everything Ago has done for you and I, what about him? This is not fair to him.
See, don't take it that way. I know Agunwa has been so nice to us. But this is your life we are talking about, your future we are talking about. You would date him, but date him secretly. Yes. You know, if Agunwa finds out, he will be so furious and aggressive. And I don't want it that way. So you have to keep it cool.
No, Mama. He promised to visit me in school this weekend. I didn't even tell him I was coming to the village. I just hope he forgives me, honestly.
Listen, life happens. Life happens. This is your life, your future that we are talking about. Okay?
Mama, I really love Ago.
What about J-Boy?
Well, the feeling is just there. Mama, the thing is, he promised to take me to go see his parents.
Really? Hey, that's good though. So very soon my daughter will be the wife of a wealthy son of a millionaire.
Unless I forget,
hey,
so ask me to give you this money.
Hey! Chimo! Hey! Hey! Please, thank him for me. Huh? Thank him for me.
And that's not all. He promised to take you to the best hospital in the world, where they will take care of you once and for all. He said that this incessant sickness isn't too good for you, that you need to heal properly.
Hi. Oh, my God will bless him. My God will bless him. Oh, hey. That's a good heart. He's a good man. Ah, Jim, you must bless him. Bless him for me. Hi.
I don't want to come here on Saturday, here you go get problem. And they use and go church on Sunday. Don't tell you finish. If I call you Saturday, I'll carry your machine and go.
Yeah, calm down.
Waiting.
Calm down sometimes, Ruth.
Don't say disappoints me last time.
It's okay. Hey, let's say forget. So that man later failed you. Hey, this world is wicked, though.
But you know what he wanted now? He wanted me to sleep with him. But as I refused now, he failed me. But don't worry, hand will touch him for this school.
Come on, how can somebody be that wicked? Even in final year, you fail someone. That's wickedness now. So, let's just go, Jerry. It's all... Wait.
How are you?
I'm fine. You look tired. Where are you coming from?
I've been carrying this heavy bag from the junction.
Oh, okay. You're welcome. What's inside?
Food stuff now. It's been some time now where I never come, so I went to the market and bought some food stuff for you. I don't want you to be hungry in school. And I don't want you to be looking at all these small boys so that when they offer you money, you tell them, say, no, nature.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Manicha, let me be going back to the hostel. Now I washed.
Yes.
Let me be going back.
Okay.
Chereo, Urugo, like you will see me and you will not greet me. Is it the university or what?
Hey. His Royal Highness, Agunwa 1. I greet you.
Me no come mad. Mamu kine Mexico ni forum.
Meet me in the hostel.
Oh yeah, no. Oh, Manicham. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you. Guys, everybody at home.
Everybody's fine.
Obim, this thing looks really heavy. I don't think I can carry because I feel tired.
Carry Guinea. How can I allow you to carry this? Because show me the direction to your hostel. Let us go.
Wait, are you sleeping over?
No.
Okay.
You know I'm coming from a very far place. Omalicham. Is everything okay? You are acting one kind.
Yes, everything is okay.
Which way?
I just want to pass this course. So this course is very difficult. If I just get C, I'll be very happy.
Why would you even wish yourself a C for God's sake? Why not aim for a B? At least. Don't you know that having a C will drop your CGPA? C. For me, A is the goal. I don't care how difficult the course is. I will not settle for anything less.
Me, I know myself. That man has not been to our class for once. He will just come and give us course outline, then he will want us to pass. How?
My darling, like they always say, nothing good comes easy, right?
Me, I just want to pass because if I fail, my mother will not be happy with me.
That's the point. You have a lot of people who are counting on you. So you don't have any choice. You have to pass no matter what. As for me, I can't afford to disappoint my Obi, my Ago, my investment as he fondly calls me. No, I can't disappoint him.
Manicha, wait. Is there any other thing inside this your head apart from Obim, Odom, Agum?
What's wrong with you, Ruth?
Don't go and write Obim and Agum inside exam.
Trust me, my Obim has done so much for me. He goes out of his way for me. And you want me to do what? No, I can't afford to fail. It is not an option. Failure is not written there.
No problem, my own is just focus and read. Read and so you pass. Because every time now is Ago, investment. I can't wait. Do you even call Jay? Like, do you even bring Jay inside the picture?
What's wrong with this one? You're talking of people that have head. You're talking. See, my only prayer now is that God should just bless my Obim so that he can stand on his own 2 feet once again. May God continue to enrich him. May God uplift him. That's all I care about.
Say amen to your prayer.
Amen. Amen.
No problem.
Hi, girls.
Yeah. Hi.
Why is your friend not talking? Is she alright?
Yeah, she's fine, but she just have some financial problems here, monetary issue.
Oh, is that why she's moody? When it's fine, that is not a problem. Just a moment. You can have this.
If you don't get that nonsense off my face, if I spit on you, take this nonsense off my face, Jerry. What's that?
What? Don't worry. She's not only having monetary issues, she's also having brain damage. Like, she's not okay.
When? That is not a problem. I'm the only guy in this school that have every money that every guy would dream of having. By the way, my name is Sam, but you can call me Sam.
Big Sam Rich or whatever you call yourself, be very careful. Do I look like a child to you? Do I look like I'm hungry? Did I come to you that I'm hungry? Warn yourself. Warn yourself. The next time you see me along this road, avoid me. Do you understand me? If you ever talk to me again, I will change them for you, brother.
Sam, right? I call you Big Sam. Don't worry, I'll follow her and talk, yeah?
Let's be going to your hostel now, manager. Your phone is ringing.
It's Jay, pick. Huh? It's Jay now.
Who is Jay?
Can you stop?
You don't want to pick.
Obim, the thing is, Jay, Agu is no one. Is my hostel coordinator. The truth is, he doesn't like to see men. No, I mean, men are not allowed into the female hostel because of some due to some recent insecurity that's been going on. And talk more of a stranger. You know how it is. It's not like
me now, a stranger, my investment.
No, I mean, it's not me. I mean the coordinator. That
is still ringing.
Pick your call now. Omalicha, what is wrong with you? I'm sure you're not cheating on me.
What kind of talk is that one now?
Then pick your call now. Your phone is ringing.
I don't want to pick it. It's nobody. Why would I pick nobody's call? Please, you should leave me.
Jay is nobody.
Who is Jay?
He is no one.
Our hostel
coordinator.
Let us go and see him now. I can explain to him that you are my investment. I'm the one that is going to marry you. He should know that this is a lifetime partnership.
Yes.
I'm not a sneaky person in your hostel.
He's correct.
Obim,
Omalicha.
Obim.
What is happening?
Nothing.
What is going on here?
Please leave me alone now. I don't feel well. What's this now?
I don't make you cry, you. I'm just. Who is
they are sorry now.
Sorry, Omalicha.
My guy, tell me, how did you do it? How did you get that girl?
Do what? I don't understand.
Bro, that girl is the hardest girl to get in this campus. Like, literally, she is so hard not to be cracked.
Like, seriously, she really gave a lot of people a tough time.
Like,
how you take do and say, my guy?
What did you do for you now?
You know you guys are crazy. No, seriously, like, I don't understand. Like, yeah, she's special, but come on. You guys should include at least now, prayers and hard work, because I did lots of prayers. Shut
the fuck up. You didn't do any prayers.
Okay, now Grace, leave him now. Since no one believes in Grace.
So, in a prayer point, you did do that thing.
I don't understand.
But wait, Ken, don't be too sure. I know my gender too well. If you say just to deceive our friend.
If your gender decides to want to deceive anybody, it should not be that girl that I have seen. I am picturing that any person that ends up with that girl, believe 100% loyalty.
That goes sleep.
After believe, bro, you know you believe. You are locked up now.
I don't even know how I accepted you guys as my friends. Now see finish the cause this one. Now see finish the cause this nonsense now. Yeah. You don't throw your line and say she go low there. I say you know the girl. Is she your sister? Yeah, no, how did you know about that one? Yeah. This one I don't talk. Me, J-boy. Me.
Wait.
Yeah.
J-boy, my friend.
Tell me to to your deep down conscience now.
Okay.
See that girl now. Tell me say you don't love that girl like this now.
Alright, let's be honest, okay? This is the time for me to spill the beans, okay? Coming from my heart, okay? I love Omalicha so much.
Aww.
Yeah. I mean, right from the very first time I saw her, something in me was just excited. I don't know why. Then I got closer to her. I discovered that, wow, this girl is just one beautiful soul.
Aww.
And come to think of it, you know, this girl will make a lot
Love
of...
dog, come back.
No, allow me to... let me just...
Our friend is in love.
I am in my own world. Let me stay. This girl is just a good life partner. Woo. What the hell? You know, I can picture her right now.
Yeah, tell me.
Shit,
Are you seriously?
Shit.
So you're picturing her in the other room. Picture her in the other room.
Alright guys, so,
I shall will kill you.
I want to spend the rest of my life with Omalicha. Seriously. I'm saying this to you guys because like I discussed this with my very close with my mom, but then I'm saying this to you too. Like you're getting the news firsthand, you know? I want to spend the rest of my life with Omalicha. Like she'll you know, she'll just compliment me.
Ken, see love. Wait.
Who'll be your best man?
Come on, get up.
Wait, before best man say wait. So we have a wedding to plan like this as we go.
Girl, guess what?
You know I'm not really good at guessing, so what's
Don't be such a spoiled sport. Just guess.
You did your project.
No, far from it.
You broke up with that woman.
Miracle. No, they tired Jesus. To classic.
What sort of stupid guess is that?
Because that's what is on my head.
And obviously your head is empty. Anyway, let me put you out of your misery. Jay proposed that we go see his parents. That he wants to take him to see his parents for introduction.
Oh, see, Eddie, everything you've done to me, I forgive you. This news washed away all your iniquities. This is the best news you ever give to me as a friend and a sister.
Yeah, I'm sorry for you. Well, don't go wife to me.
You know what? No, I'm a bit worried. Sincerely, I don't think it's a good idea to go see his parents.
No try. If na evil spirit reject them, no try. You see, no just spoil something for you and me. No just try. If na evil spirit they control you, push them back from the village. If na from village, push them back go jail. What's this now? You see all the dates where I don't plan now, don't finally bring out positive something now.
Why
You
do
won't carry
I
your body
tell
for
you
spirit
things?
spoiler.
Why do I tell you things? I will never learn, obviously. Ruth, just you're dressed for school. You can go. Thank you.
I go why no go better for you. Because you don't chop my girlfriend brain, chop am so then you brainwash and come out the brain back for your house. This is the better plan.
Hey! Jay money in law to me.
I'm this mama. Mama will be very happy to hear this one.
Ogo Jay go.
Let me go. The time was lecture.
Where is my daughter-in-law today?
It's here.
Oh my God.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am. Get up, my beautiful girl. You look so beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. You look beautiful yourself.
Oh my God. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, ma'am. Her name is Omalicha. The angel I've been telling you about.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Alright, Mom, please, let me allow both of you to get along. Get out of my room, baby. Come on.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Amokwe community.
Okay. And your parents?
My mom is in the village. She does petty business, but my dad unfortunately is late.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But not to worry. We are now family. Feel free. We are your family now.
Thank you, ma'am.
As you.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you.
It's unfortunate too that my husband had to travel for a business meeting.
Oh.
But I am sure that he will see you on the next visit.
That's fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's...
Most welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hope your studies are going on well and everything going on.
Everything is fine, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. I can see that it's already getting along. Thank you, Mom.
Hey, boy.
Mom.
So now about you. How have you been?
Well, with help of my side, I've been fine.
So your studies, I hope they're going on well.
Yeah, Mom, yeah. Sincerely, no, I
Just my son.
Alright, Mom. So, I already asked the chef to make something, okay?
That's fine.
You did?
Yes, Mom.
I'll call her to make sure she's doing that. How she is. Kito! Kito!
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Kito, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have some with us here. And I would like you to go to the kitchen, make us a sumptuous meal befitting of this beauty here. You understand that?
Of course, ma'am. Consider it done. Huh? If I get like you, you deserve a wow.
Please, meanwhile, get her a glass of juice.
I'm coming. You're welcome, ma'am.
Don't mind that girl. She can be stupid most of the times.
Kito.
Oh, Chidi baby. When are you coming? Willy baby. Chili baby. When are you coming? Chili baby. I wanna know now. When are you loving Lily baby? See Lily baby. When are you coming? Lily baby. Oh, silly baby.
Oh, stupid Garoba. Come on, take your food. Carry.
Why you knock me? Eh?
Oga, see, if you finish that your stupid song where you won't use disturb everybody for this compound, stand up and go and wash Madam Smoker. You dey hear me? This place no be market square. Why you gonna make noise? Eh? I be this place resemble your house land.
You dey mad? No, you dey mad.
Now you dey very, very stupid. You are very, very stupid. Overfeeding. I don't dey feed you now. Next time, now poison I go poison you. Because you are not useful at all.
Hey, you poison this one? Your poison no fit do anything to me. Your poison no fit do anything to me. Like no fit poison me.
Well, Sha, just try me. I know fit poison you. Not my food you dey chop. Or you chop this one. You know where that poison there am?
You poison am?
Eh? You get luck. Next time, try me for this compa. If I dey talk, you dey talk. You don't grow.
Your poison no fit do anything.
My poison no go do anything.
If you like poison am, I go chop am. Your poison no fit do anything.
Useless Awusa he goats. I don't even know why Oga employed you in this compound. You are not even useful at all. What is your work?
I'm the chief security officer in this compound.
No, the chief security officer. This small work where they give you. Oga, chop this food and stand up and go and wash Madam Cow. If you like, dey here. Love, see you there. Useless boy. I dey talk, you dey talk. I will soon kill you.
Your poison no fit do anything to me. If you like, poison me 1,000 times. Your poison no go do anything to me.
Okay, my poison no go do anything to you. Oh yeah, try sing that nonsense song where you sing for this compound. You go see me, I will poison you.
Na me. You say you go poison? Eh? You say you go poison me? Bring water, oh. Make I chop this your poison. I chop your poison there. Go bring water, come. You go poison me. One poison me. Chili baby.
Your mom is nice.
Of course she is. I'm sure she already likes you. I told you that.
You think so?
I know so. And I'm certain she will consent to our marriage. It's just that my father is not here to see you in person. But that's not a problem, you know?
Marriage?
Hey, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Oh, come on, Jay.
Let's not come on anywhere. Marry me, please. Be my wife, okay? Please.
But Jay, listen,
in marriage. Okay? Please. Marry me and make me the happiest man.
You have been there for me. What else can I ask if not lover? My lover, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, Omalicha. My lover, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover, I go do anything for you. Because you're my world, Omalicha. Investment move, Achalugomo. One is so mugomo, Obodo Biakili, my world. Investment, Achalugomo. One day, Somugomo, the jealousy, then go quenchy one day. My lover, leave them on. I go do anything for you.
Amacha, where are you?
Anything for you. My lover,
It's rude. Don't you have lectures today?
I go do anything for my lover.
Where are you? Where are you?
I go do anything for you. Because you're my world, investment move, Achalugomo, one is Somugomo, Obodo Biakili, my world, investment.
Babe, you're awake. Good morning.
He pampers me so much, and I love it. God, I hope this love lasts.
Are you okay?
Then can you just get my clothing so I need to leave.
Now I made you breakfast already.
I'm not hungry. I just want to go.
Hey, what is it? I said I make you breakfast already.
I said I'm not hungry.
Alright, guess you're in a bad mood. Why don't you go freshen up, okay? I'll get you your clothes. I will get you your clothes. Mom, I want to quickly drop a home on the campus. I will be back soon.
Are you serious? Oh dear. I wanted to spend more time with her. And I equally wanted to tell you that your father will be back in 2 days. I would like to meet her in person.
That's no problem, ma'am. I can always come back some other time to come visit.
Really?
Besides, this is my project defense and it's getting late. I have to be at school before noon.
Very well then. Son,
Mom?
please be easy behind the wheels.
Alright, Mom, I will. Please, let's call your love.
Alright. Have a good one, ma'am.
Take care.
So you mean you guys had a thing?
Yeah, we did.
Girl, how was it?
I feel terrible though.
It's normal because today is your first time.
No. Agunwa.
Ago gaining. Agunwa this, Agunwa that, Agunwa. Breathe! Even the Agunwa self will be doing hatching. Leave Agunwa alone, let Agunwa leave you alone. Every day Agunwa. Somebody will not just drink garri and drop spoon without hearing Agunwa's name. Let me tell you, don't be ungrateful girl, oh. All this stuff that I've been showering with, don't go and pay that boy with evil, oh. Agunwa.
How on earth did I ever make you my friend?
By event, by friendship, by village, by everything, by mothers, by everything. Even heaven will be proud of you if you make this decision, this good decision, once in your lifetime.
Anyway, he asked me to marry him.
And what did you say? I see that boy is following you. Agunwa is following you. How can somebody ask you to marry and you say nothing? What is nothing? Is nothing yes or no? Let me tell you. Don't go and spoil things. I've been telling you these things since. Don't spoil things. You should have just said yes now. Which one is no again? You have been brainwashed. Even man of war cannot save you from this one.
Mama, your daughter is now a graduate.
Hey! Hey! Chineke, thanks, sir. Jesus, thank you. Hey! Piano! Mambo's a graduate. My daughter is now a graduate. Abu's a mama graduate. I am now the mother of a graduate. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Mama, thank you, Mama.
This handsome young man.
Mama, forgive my manners. Mama, this is Jay. He's my friend. He's the one who's been helping me all the while.
Oh, the one you told me about?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, hey, yeah, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I can see where she got her beauty from. Oh. You're very beautiful, Mama.
Oh, stop flattering me. So, how are your parents?
Well, they're fine. They're doing good. And obviously, no need asking you because I can see you're doing well.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Mama,
let's go inside.
Of course, Mama.
Okay.
Please come.
Who are you? So, you have decided to come and look for Agunwa's trouble that everybody's avoiding, Ekpa?
Hey!
Eh?
Listen, I don't know who you are. I don't know your relationship with Omalacha here. But if you don't leave here this minute, I'll call the police on you.
You call the police on me?
Yes, you heard me.
Call the police.
What?
Call the ambulance. Call fire service. Call nurse and doctor. If you don't call them, shame on you.
Agunwa!
Yeah, we'll go.
Hey! Agunwa gini! Agunwa yaga mafurugi!
Ma, who is this bastard?
He's a bad man. Onyala kabu.
You cannot be saying that one. You need to come to work. I don't understand. What nonsense is this one?
Let them come and collect you.
Wait.
Stop so that you will run back to that place.
It's not what you think. Please.
See, you are my investment. If he wants you, let him come to my house. He open office. He go take her like that.
If you kill her, you know that you will be arrested for murder. Somebody will go to jail.
I don't have your time now. When I have your time, I'll come for you. Follow me. Follow me. Let me see how you come
and sense. You did another guy, man. Carry your investment. Go. Over the years, maybe Melon graduate, See, for this village, I go show you very well. I go show you Pepe for this village. Nonsense. Oga Vigilante.
Why?
Please, I'm sorry.
You are sorry.
There's nothing I can tell you now that would justify my actions. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
Why are you like this? After everything I've sacrificed for you and your mama, After all my investment, you want to leave me and follow another man, eh, Omalicham?
Please, I'm sorry. Please, just forgive me, please. I'm truly sorry, please.
I know that sending you to university was the greatest mistake I made in my life. I knew it! How can you turn and betray our love like this? What is it? Is it because of money? How much did he give you? How much did he give you? Just tell me. Baby, don't do this to me now, Omalicham. You know I love you now. You are the only girl I've loved. You know I sacrificed all these years because of you. Please, marry me. Marry me now. Let's stop all these things.
The thing is, I'm not ready to get married now. I just finished from school. I just graduated. Please, let me at least work, you know, to take care of my mother. I want to save some money first. Please, please.
So you are rejecting my marriage proposal because of him?
No, not at all. It has nothing to do with this. Jepo is just my friend. He's a friend and nothing more. Our relationship is not so serious.
Hey!
It was only just posted to the place where I'm serving. That's all.
See how university have turned you to a professional liar. You are just blabbing and lying comfortably. You told me before he was your hostel coordinator. Now he's just a friend, Ekwa. Shut up! You are my investment and you are not going anywhere. You will stay with me in this house.
No, wait. Wait. Don't
try it. Omalicham.
Let me go.
Omalicham, Banono. Banono!
Please just let me go.
I said Banono.
Please. Why you... Wait.
Let me see how you go and meet. You are my investment and nobody's entitled to you but me. If he wants you, let him come to my house. How can you do me like this? Do you have a conscience? I'm losing my investment. No way.
Babe, I don't understand. What exactly are you saying? What is this?
I'm sorry for not telling you all the while. Agunwan I used to date. He's the reason why my mom is still alive. He has done a lot for my mom and I.
It's again. How can he be the reason I'm alive? Is he a life giver? Mbakwao. It is only God that kept me alive, not Agunwan. Because
anyway, we love each other and we promised to be together.
Did you just listen to yourself? Did you hear what you just said?
Hey!
So why did you keep it a secret from me? Why? I mean, that's not fair.
I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I kept it away from you all the while.
Listen. You don't have to be confused, okay? Whatever Agunyo, whatever you call him, did for you, it's in the past now. I am here. Listen, I am here. You don't have to be confused, okay? I love you. All I want you to do right now is go into the house, pack your things, okay? We're going to the city. I mean, you're going with me to the city where I will never have access to you again. There we can build our beautiful future together.
But Jay...
It's about getting... Mom, I support this one.
Let's do this.
Listen, go in there. If he says you're going to the city, pack your things and follow him and go to the city. It is for your own good, though.
Mama.
Do you hear me?
But Mama,
there is no but in this case. It's for your own good. I don't want you to suffer. I will be fine.
Mama.
I will be fine. Don't worry about me.
Agunwa has done a lot for you and I, honestly.
Omalicha, what did Agunwa do that somebody cannot do for someone? Agunwa never told me he wanted to marry you. He was doing everything he did as a good Samaritan.
He told me.
Good neighbor, okay, say no one. He would have come to tell me now. Eh? Let me tell you, everything he did with his good heart. He was just helping us. Being a naked man. He never told me he wanted to marry you. So I support what my in-law has said. In-law,
Why are you doing this? Why? What did Agunwa do for you that I've not done for you? I mean, what did he do? Listen to me, okay? I am willing to double whatever you think he has done for you and for Mama. I am willing to double it and settle him off. Okay. I am willing to pay him off, okay? If only he is obedient and humble enough to go on his knees and ask. What Agunwa needs right now is money. Okay? He needs money to stand as a man and live a good life and not causing troubles here and there in the village. If only he would just humble himself, go on his knees and ask. I would do it for him, you know? Hey, come on, let me take care of you and Mama. Let me send Mama abroad for proper treatment. Look at the house you're staying. Come on. Let me take care of you and Mama, please. Do this with me, please.
Hey, do you know what sugar no eh?
What is it again? What is it? You're still worried. Come on, babe. I told you everything will be fine. Okay? Everything happens for a reason.
No, Malika.
Shimo.
No, Malika.
Eh?
Where's Malika?
Agunwa, you're hurting me, please.
I don't care. Where did you keep her?
I'm choking her. You will choke me to death.
Where did you keep her, Malika?
Oh, Malika. Agunwa, you know Malika is your wife now? She's your wife. Do you want to kill your mother-in-law?
My mother-in-law? You know that, yet you sold her to the highest bidder. After everything I did for you, especially you, you would have been long dead and buried and forgotten in this village. If I did not come to your rescue, I made sure your surgery was successful and all you would pay me back with is sell her to the highest bidder. Is that it?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Where's Malika? Where's Malika? Where's Malika? Where's Malika? Agunwa! Where is Malika? Agunwa! No, I don't want to leave now. Where's Malika? Leave her alone, she will die. Let her die. Let her die. Where's Malika?
Leave her, let her tell us where she took her to now.
Where is she? Is she going to talk? Where is she? Oh yeah. Tell me where she is.
Mama, where is Malika now? Mama, Malika. Sorry.
Help me.
Sorry, no? Take one of Malika, Mama, Malika.
Malika.
Where's Malika?
Malika.
Where did you keep her?
Malika, your daughter. Where is Malika? Where is Malika?
Malika is there. Malika.
Hey!
Okay.
Have you seen what you caused? I wait for this woman and get follow get Bob Ninaga. You must provide your manager.
You are the man now.
I have your footwear. After all, I go tell you. It's my investment. Anywhere you are going today, I'm following you until you provide that.
Calm down now. Silver and gold, I know get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you.
Welcome to my home. Is my father in?
Chief, don't worry, say so. Everybody don't worry. Chief, if you talk, say if we no see you, say no go pay our salary. God say you don't come back, we have to start to explain.
Come on, come on. All right, let's
You're
go.
welcome, sir.
All right.
Oh my word! You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
My son has told me everything that happened. Thank God you are away from that stupid man.
It's okay.
That dog of a boy. You are welcome. My husband and I have been worried sick. We have been so worried about you, but we have oh my God. But don't worry. You're here now.
You're back.
Good day, sir.
Welcome. Thank you, sir. Who is she?
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are
Honey?
you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
This is the damsel I've been talking to you about. The beautiful girl that my son wants to get married to. Isn't she beautiful?
She's awesome. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, sir.
You know what? We are all going to go inside and have a proper conversation on this.
All right.
Okay?
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Gaba! Gaba! Sir? Please bring the luggage, okay? Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Dad, please let me get my jacket.
Oh,
Let me come with you.
Don't worry.
Let's go.
Come on, let's
You're
go.
safe
I'm coming.
here.
I'm
Okay.
coming.
Right? Sure.
So, my daughter, how are you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Good. So, what are you called?
Well, my name is Omalicha Undukwe from Amokwe.
Amokwe. I've heard the name of that community before. So, who are your parents?
My dad is late, but my mom is still very much alive.
Well. So many questions at the same time. Honey, I think that'll be all for now. You know they need rest. My daughter, I hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm very well, thank you.
They need to rest. Especially after this encounter with that hoodlum in that village. They need to rest.
You're right, my boy. You're right. So, Father, so why was that man after your lives? Is he mad? Does he know the father of who he's toiling with?
However, I think he was high or something. But it's fine now.
Well, that's by God now. She's here. She's safe. I intend that she remains here, never to return to that village again.
Okay. What about your mom? I hope she's safe. Huh? I don't trust that boy.
That boy will not be able to do anything to her. If he tries it, I will lock him up for the rest of his life.
I trust you, Father.
Thank you, sir.
Be that as it may, I am happy to tell you that we are all happy to welcome you to our home.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
This is your home. Feel free, relax, enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
And that reminds me, my son mentioned that you just finished serving your mission.
Yes, I just did.
Very well then. Honey? Don't you think you should find her something doing instead of allowing her go out there job hunting?
Mother.
You're right. You're right. My daughter.
Yes,
What is your discipline?
I study biochemistry, sir.
Biochemistry. Well, people who do sciences can fit into anything. Yes. It's alright. You send me your CV. I will look at it and get back to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I have this stupid secretary who has been looting me for months now, and I think she deserves a change. I hope you don't mind being the secretary to my company with a startup monthly salary of 2 million naira.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Come.
This is your home. Feel free to ask of anything.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My happiness is that you're happy. When you're happy, I'll feel happy. Okay?
You're welcome.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The food is ready. Should I serve it now?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. I welcome you, pretty angel. Mama Richa. It's fine.
Thank you, Kido. Thank you.
No. Ma, please. Just add it. Chef Kido. Please. It's just a little title I got from Cambridge.
That's what we see there. Mama, come on, prepare the table.
I will.
Congratulations, baby.
That's fine.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
I need to get my life back on track. How will I keep this number now? I need to call this man. Anything, anyhow, go back him. Anyhow. Okay, yes, and I be this. I'm sure, but I think I'll call him first.
Hello?
Hello, Mike. Hello, I want to talk with Mike. Hello, who is it? Please give the phone to the owner, Mike. I want to talk with him. Alhaji, you hear me, pa? What kind of rubbish Alhaji talk is this one? Oh, that's the number. Let me call it. I'm sure that's the number now. Hello? Madam, give the phone to the owner. I want to talk to Mike. Mike. Mr. Mike. What is? How do I locate this man now? Yes. Yes. I remember he wrote me his address. Yes, let me look for it. Yes.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go. Amalicha mo, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, Amalicha, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world. Investment move. Achalugamu. People come and see my world. My world. Investment move. Achalugamu. My lollipop. I don't want to lose you, my dear. Nothing can come in between us. I love you beyond anything, baby more. I love to see you happy, love you more. If I lose you, my dear, I will run mad, yo. From here till you see them, I go do anything for you, Amaricha, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover, my lover. I go do anything You're my world, investment. Come and see. Achalugamu, Amalicha, one day so good, most beautiful. My world, investment. Achalugamu, one day so good.
I beg, I dey find Mr. Michael. He give me address, he make a find and come. Now here he live.
Agunwa.
You know me?
Agunwa. Of course, come on. It's me, Mike Okafor.
Michael.
You're going to walk him. Mike Okafor.
Mike.
Agunwa.
You want to see you?
Aja can walk around.
You don't fresh finish, you. How you do it? I no go lie for you. I know they okay. Life don't turn to me.
It's okay, I understand. I am rushing for a presentation at the office, okay? Let me take you inside. I'll come back and meet you, then we'll talk some more.
Hey.
Let me take you to my house. Come in. Mike, let go the one care.
I just love everything. It looks like you really took your time, right? Thank you.
Yeah, you did.
It's beautiful.
You deserve the best, babe.
Thank you so much.
You know, I am thinking, why don't you go on the vacation, you know?
Vacation? Hell no. What would you want your father to think about me? He would say I'm lazy, that I don't want to, carry out my duties, and, no, I don't want to disappoint him that way. I want to do my work.
Are you worried about my father? Or you're concerned about your happiness?
Both, actually.
All right, I can talk to my father, okay? I can talk to him so you can take your leave. Look, I just want you to have fun, okay? I just want you to enjoy yourself, away from all this trauma and guilt you have about your ex.
You are super nice, thank you.
You deserve the best, baby.
You're super nice, thank you.
Anything for you, I'll do that. So tell me.
Yes.
Which country do you want? I mean, do you have in mind?
Country. Zanzibar. Yes, let's do Zanzibar. I've always fantasized about Zanzibar.
Final option?
Zanzibar.
All right, Zanzibar then.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my whole Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you so much. I love you, Mom. Thank you. Thank you.
You're the best, baby. You're the best.
I brought on a long story. Since we graduated for school, I have been feeding from hand to mouth, to even feed my problem.
Wow. That's so disheartening. I'm so sorry. I didn't know about this.
Thank you. Please. If there's any way you can help me, anything I am willing to do, even if it's driver, anything.
Come on, Ago. You don't have a problem. This is also your house. You can stay as long as you want until you get a job to sustain yourself.
You mean it?
Sure, you can stay.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my brother.
For one day.
God bless you.
You're my man. It's okay. So tell me, how's your girlfriend? Yeah, because I know you're good with lots of ladies around you. That's why we call you Agumwa back then in school. Hey, don't tell me poverty has also taken that better part of you.
Poverty don't shave my hair, bro. Poverty has dealt me a big blow.
It's going to be fine.
Do you know, because of lack of money, I make my fellow man open my hand, collect babe where I trained. Something will belong to me. 9% collect. Cannot get money.
Chalo. Buto, take it easy. Are you trying to say
yes?
It took a woman from you.
After everything.
Haba. That's to the extreme, man.
Anyway, that's not important, please.
Hey, brother. Put me for line now. See, you know they do well. See my life. Anything, just tell me as they take glow. How did you make it? Well, like I said earlier, God has been faithful. You know, God has been God ever since I started working with OBC. Thank God. Yeah, it's God all true though. Thank God. Thank God. Yeah. Anything, I don't mind, even if it's driver or cleaner or washerman. I know, but I doubt if we don't have vacancy in my office. I don't think we do. Try for your man. I beg. It's okay, don't stretch it. Tomorrow I'll find out. Okay. I'll make some inquiries and then I'll get back to you. God bless you. Sir.
Yes. What is it?
Sir, I'm sorry to bother you. I have something I wanted to tell you, sir. Actually, there's just my friend that came to town. He needs somewhere to work. He's a graduate, sir. Well, just that he doesn't have a job yet.
Mike, you of all people should know that there is no vacancy, and so there's no space for you.
But sir, he can do anything. Cleaner, even a driver, sir. He can drive you. He knows how to drive, sir. Please.
Mike.
Sir.
You just told me he's a graduate.
Yes, sir.
I mean, how can he cope? I mean, fit into those many jobs you're talking about?
Sir, for now, he doesn't have a choice. He just needs to do anything to make a living, sir. Whatever that puts food on his table, he will accept it, sir.
You know, that is why I don't like listening to things like this, because my soft part is beginning to play pranks on me.
I'm sorry, sir.
Well, it's all right. You know, Omalicha is on a short vacation, and her department needs to be covered. I mean, her job.
Oh.
So, I am thinking that just to help your friend, he can just come in and cover for her until she comes back.
Thank you, sir. I never thought of that, sir. Thank you.
Right.
I appreciate so much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I will tell the manager, but you can still tell him, so that when your friend comes, you should interview him.
Okay, sir.
And let him start if he passes. All right?
Okay, sir.
Then also You know I'm traveling for a conference.
Oh yes, sir. I'm aware of it, sir.
Get all the documents ready, okay?
Yeah.
Get them ready for me so that
I'll do exactly. I'll do just that, sir. I'll do that. Thank you once again. Thank you. I so appreciate. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, yo.
Mike, how did it go? Oh.
What? I did not get the job.
What happened? Why?
I got it!
What's your problem now? What's your problem?
Yeah, I got it. Thanks so much, bro.
You wanted to pull my legs.
You know.
Well, I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much.
That means you'll be resuming soon, right?
Yeah, but they said I could start tomorrow. So
tomorrow?
Yes. They said I could
So
start tomorrow.
soon?
Thank you so much. You don't know what you have done to me.
You're my man.
You have given me life.
Come on, stop.
You have given me hope. Now I cannot be killing myself thinking.
So let me tell you, I'm the most happiest man that we work in the same firm together. We leave the house in the morning and then we come back in the evening.
God bless you. When I was coming, I peeped that canteen over there. You deserve one bottle. Let's go over.
One bottle? Come on. Yeah. What do you want to give to me?
Son, how are you?
I am fine, Mom. Are you?
I am beautiful. Yes, how is my daughter-in-law to be? Omali Chamwa.
Mom, she's doing fine. She's doing fine.
Oh, well. Hell, I miss you both so much. But don't want to kill me here, must tell you. You know your father has traveled again.
I've missed you so much too, Mom. So where did Dad travel again this time?
As usual, he went for a business meeting. Your father is old. I have told him countless times to hand over the company to you. But he wouldn't budge.
Mom, you won't blame him, okay? You know how he loves his profession so much. Retiring won't be easy on him. You know that, Mom.
My point is, he needs to rest. Age is no longer on his side and he's stressing more than he should. He needs to rest.
Mom, yeah, you are complaining. Your husband is hardworking.
Is that what you call it? No, I don't call it hard work. He is stressing so much. He needs to rest or slow down a bit. By the way, when are you coming back?
Mom, I don't know yet.
Oh, really? I think I get it. You are having fun with my daughter-in-law to be, right?
Yeah, Mom.
I understand, but please, I am missing you. God, I miss you so much. I need you back, like as soon as possible.
All right, Mom, I will, okay? We'll be back soon.
Very well, then let me allow you to have good time with my daughter-in-law to be. Beautiful girl.
All right, Mom, you take care of yourself.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, Mom.
I love you, son.
Love you too, Mom.
Mr. Office Worker, how are you doing?
My God, how far now?
Well, I'm doing good. I'm fine. Hope you submitted the file, because the boss will be needing it once he comes back.
I'm almost done.
Good. I commend your efforts. I like the way you're pushing the job. You're doing good.
How will I not do it when you suffer too much to get me?
Who told you I suffer? I did not suffer.
I didn't suffer at all, my brother.
I know you like things for love, so definitely you will not agree that you're suffering.
Let me tell you something. When you want something big, then you have to anticipate something big. So it's not a problem. I've always anticipated something big.
Anyway, my only concern now is when the woman that I'm occupying her office knows, they will now, what will happen to me since my job is a temporary job?
Yeah. Not to worry though. I strongly believe that when the lady occupying her position comes back, the boss will look for somewhere befitting for you because your effort towards the job is quite commendable. So not to worry about that. I'm very sure about it. Okay? Come on. What matters is that you're doing the job well. And I'm super proud of you. That's my guy. Agumata. Agunkezezi. Don't worry, please. Let me rush back to the office. Let me go back to what I was doing. I'll talk to you later.
It was super fun. And to crown it all up, guess what? He proposed to me right there in Zanzibar.
Oh my god, my friend, this is diamond. The diamond. It's like this. So my friend will not be talking, my friend will be doing hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Did you see me flipping my hair?
But this is so fine.
Thank you.
You see, when I was telling you to follow Jay, you were busy doing as if I'm forcing you. That papa, will you afford this kind of ring?
I hope you're not referring to Agunwa.
Of course I'm referring to him. Who else?
Please, come on.
My friend, you're meant for rich men. You're meant for rich people. You're supposed to be rich. You're not supposed to be following poor man. Dude, I'm so happy that you're happy.
Of course, I'm happy, girl. Don't leave no transfer, I die here.
Why would you? You see this kind of house and this kind of thing, I will not die there. So, I hope you got me something.
You trust me now?
I trust my friend.
Oh, let me get it for you.
I cannot wait.
The very best from yours truly. The very best. I knew you'd like it.
Oh, you know what I love. You know what I love.
I know your brand, remember?
Irish. Thank you so much, my. Well, I'm taking this home. I'm sorry, I'm not going to take it with you.
I was going to say you should open it so
Open
we
what?
have a little tasting.
It's a gift.
I'm just teasing you.
Better.
Oh my God.
For you.
Lest I forget, tell me, when last did you visit Mama?
I've not really seen her soon, but I'll be traveling next week to see my mom, so I'll see her.
Okay. Just say hello to her on my behalf. You know, because of my new job, I get caught up with it, so I haven't been able to.
It's true. What's up with your new job?
That. It's also, I'm resuming tomorrow though.
So fast?
Well, the funny thing is, they had to get someone to replace me, you know.
Why?
Because I went to Zanzibar with Jay. But it's just temporal. Yeah. Okay. When I resume, they'll delegate him to some other office within the company.
Better. My friend, this house is so fine. Are you sure I'm not back and come here? Sorry. Please, your wardrobe. Can we go and ransack it?
You do not need to ransack my wardrobe because, of course, yours truly got you some Aldo bags. But
what?
My luggage is yet to arrive.
So why did you come back without your luggage?
Well, it's a long story. It's an airport story, but that's for another day. But don't worry, I got you.
Ken,
Yeah?
have you noticed something?
Yeah, something about what?
G-boy. He's behaving like a married man. Even when he's not even married. Look at him. It's all over his face.
What do you expect from a guy that is living with a woman he loves so much, his supposed fiancée, and they went on vacation at Zanzibar?
What's wrong with you?
He's probably thinking about her, right?
Hey, I beg, enough of this, you're married. Listen, I am not behaving like a married man. For God's sake, I am not married.
You're
okay?
behaving like one.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'm just being calculative about some things. Right now, I am going to be married in a few weeks' time. Okay, but for now, please, I am single. But certainly not searching. You know that, right?
Okay, so you're single.
Yes.
And you're not searching.
I am not searching.
And you want to marry. Wow. So how can you be all of that?
I proposed to her. I asked her to be my wife.
Wow.
I know she must be very happy right now. Like, you know, she's standing in front of that mirror and she's like, oh God, I'm married to this.
You have come again.
But that's the truth.
Were you there with them?
I'm imagining for her. That's how she should be.
She said no. She turned me down.
What?
Why? How?
Wait, my guy. She turned you down.
Damn.
She right.
See, come on, bro.
Thinking.
Bro, if she did turn you down, right? Forget about her. There are a lot of ladies out there. You know, I could connect you to this, you know, one of this shorty girl who sweet dancer, you know.
I mean, there are a lot of fine girls in this campus that you can forget about that girl.
Oh, will you shut your mouth? Look at Sina too. Just imagine the kind of friends I have.
I'm trying to help you.
You can't even say something reasonable. Don't.
Because we love you.
Well, she said yes.
Can you just stop
You guys are crazy.
This is your game.
No, she was trust me.
Play. You almost blow my mind. I tell you.
No, she was super excited.
Seriously, I was.
Cheers now to my new home.
Beautiful home.
My new family with peace, so much love.
Oh my goodness.
Where do you guys think this wedding should take place?
Zanzibar.
No, Dubai.
All right, you know what? I think this is what I'm going to do, okay? I will just ask her, you know, just leave the bride to make her choice, okay?
That will not concern me. At least my jollof rice will be ready that day. I cannot wait.
Ready.
Where is Joe?
Why did you leave me for another man?
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
The truth is, I let my greed get the better of me. I'm sincerely sorry.
You now work here?
Well, I do. This is actually my office, but how did you get here? How did you get this job?
Mike.
Oh, you know Mike?
Mike was my classmate. He's been the one helping me since I came to the city. He got me this job through the boss.
Wow. So, how do you like working here?
Of course, very well, at least. I'm earning.
You look really handsome. More handsome. You've always been handsome, though.
Are you really happy?
Am I not supposed to be happy?
Oh, of course you are. How about, it's okay. What matters now is that we're working in the same office, so we get to see each other. But you truly hurt me, honestly, I must tell you.
And I'm
What
sorry.
did I ever do to warrant you?
I'm truly sorry.
Famali-chan, I've never stopped missing you.
And I've always loved you.
Sorry, yes, who's it? Come in.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do it.
Yes, come in.
For your sake, baby.
Hi, good day. How are you? It's good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's great to see you. Have you been?
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Let's walk. It's still really early. Come on, huddle up. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Ooh. Hi, manager. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. How is your family? It's good to see you, ma'am.
Chief traveled for a business trip. I hope you are well.
Oh, of course I'm aware. But thank you all the same. Thank you. Thank you. All right, ma'am. It's great to see you again.
Thank you.
Sure. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, Mr. Mike. It's good to see you.
You too.
How are you?
Fine.
I can see that.
I actually said let me come and say welcome.
That's really thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I'll be in my office.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, sure. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. It's time to actually work. For real this time. See what.
I don't believe you. I know the lie for you. That girl na my babe. Omalicha was my girlfriend before she absconded with that guy because of money. So what do you want to do now? What else but to take her back from him? Take her where? But let it not be what I'm thinking. Because if it's what I am thinking is not going to work. Listen, as long as I know that girl has moved on and she has forgotten about you. Not even now that she's dating the boss's son. Please, one day, don't just put that back. Wait, let me go. Wait, don't tell me don't. So I should just let another man reap the fruit of my labor, is that it? You're saying impossible. No problem. That means you have to kiss your job goodbye. Because that's all I have to tell you. You have to kiss that job goodbye. One day, please don't spoil things for me. Don't spoil things for me. I am not spoiling anything for you. Nobody go know. We go just do our things secret. Not even gonna natural for you. You will not tell anybody now, would you? And you think it will work that way? What if the boss finds out? Or his son? No, he will not find out anything. Are you going to tell him? No, are you going to tell him? Let me ask you one question, Mike. Have you ever invested heavily in something and some stranger will come from anywhere, collect that for you by force? I go, calm down. I understand what you're saying perfectly well. But you have to calm down. It's not going to work like this, Biko. So what do you want to do now? Tell me, what do you want to do? She's back at the office. I'll think of something, don't worry. I'll figure out something. You figure out something? Yeah. Are you trying to take a revenge?
Babe, there's something I want to beg you for.
Alright, go ahead, I'm listening.
There's this person that replaced me, or actually filled in for me when I went away on vacation. I want him retained. Yeah, he's good at his job. He knows how to send a lot of bulk emails. He does a lot of stuff around the office. He even helps other people to do their jobs. Like, it's a lot of load off me. Come on.
Babe, who exactly are you talking about? Is it the one my dad recently employed?
Yes, that one.
Alright, that's not a problem. Alright, that's not a problem. I will talk to my dad to retain him, okay?
Thank you.
Anything for you, brother.
Thank you.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you. Baby, mo, carry me there, go. Mama, my lover, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, Mama, my lover. I go do anything for you.
Hi, babes.
How are you?
How are you? How have you been? Please sit.
Hold it. Was that Agon I saw at your office earlier?
Really?
Stop playing dumb with me. What is really? Wait. You know he's working there?
Listen, Ruth. I am not in the right frame of mind for all of this right now, okay? It's not in my radar, please.
So what is in your radar? No, I want to know. Do you realize that you're someone else's wife to be?
Ruth, you need to start respecting my decisions, okay?
Wow.
Yes. Yes, I do not want anyone finding out about this. Not Mama, not even Jay. Understood?
Malicha, are you okay? No, let me ask you this. Are you fine? Are you okay? What do you think if Jay finds out?
That's why he mustn't find out. Simple.
Okay, so now he's working there. What next?
Who?
Don't play dumb with me. Agung, of course.
Well, he's working there. He's working there. I don't know what you're asking me about. What would you like to drink?
Nothing.
Son?
Mom.
I've been meaning to ask you. How is the preparation going between you and Omalisha?
It's just there. And she has not given me any positive feedback yet.
But why?
I don't know.
Whatever it is, I am begging you in God's name. Please. Please and please again. She has to make up her mind. Because I need grandchildren. I need grandchildren that will be running around this place, picking the flowers, and I'll be like, oh, stop, don't touch the red flower. You know, your father and I, we're not getting any younger. We need grandchildren. Don't you think so?
Alright, Mom, I've heard you, okay? I'll do the needful.
Please.
I will.
I understand that she has a lot to worry about. Being your father's secretary is not an easy task. I understand her, but be that as it may, she has to make up her mind. And fast too.
It's alright, Mom. I thought of that too, but then it's okay. I'll do as you've said. I would, talk with her and find out why, or possibly get a date. Okay.
Good. I can envisage, like as I am here now, I'm visualizing my grandchildren running from there. You know, sit there.
Hello?
So, you got my gift, right? Hope you like it.
It was nice. Thank you. It looks really nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, babe,
I mean, all through the day, your phone was saying busy, busy, busy. What's up? What happened? Who are you talking to?
No one actually. I was talking with the receptionist you sent to deliver the gift to me. Thank you, I received it.
No one. Are you sure?
I sure will, thank you.
Babe, are you okay?
I just told you I'm fine, Jay.
Alright, you know what? Let me know when you get home, okay? Since you're done from work, let me know when you get home. And I'll be there before you know it.
Alright, that's fine. Take care.
Alright, you be careful, sir. I love you.
So, Mama, how are you doing?
You have seen me now. I'm getting better.
You don't even look sick again, though.
Yes,
see, you have added, though.
Hey, so, how is my daughter, Omalicha?
She's fine. She's good. She's one that sent me those stuffs now.
I thought you were the one that bought them for me now.
Mama. But you know, yes,
so, how is life treating you?
Mama, you're seeing it now. I know that I'm glowing.
You're glowing, no?
This time I was in the village.
Ruth, please. Is it that my daughter has forgotten that she has a mother in this village? Eh? Is she alright? Is there any problem? Because I don't understand why she has refused to come to the village.
Mama, Omaricha is fine. It's fine, but there will be a problem if there is no urgent attention to it.
Ogini, what is it?
Mama, do you know that Agunwa is in the kitchen now?
Eh? Agunwa?
Is in the city.
Hey! Since when?
It's not only that he's in the city. Agunwa is working in the same office with Omalicha.
Chimo!
Omalicha fixed Agunwa in that office.
Hey!
You know, if Jay finds out, there will be problem. Omalicha will lose Jay.
Chineka amenkwe. It will not happen.
Amen.
That girl on Obonyala. Is she mentally okay?
I've been talking. I've fought. I've been talking. In fact, we are still talking. Omalicha does not even want to hear me. You know she's stubborn. When you're talking, she'll be doing her head. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
It will not happen. I am coming to that city to talk sense into her head. I run up here.
That's why I came to call you.
I cannot lose my rich-in-law. Mbano, they're not possible. I will not lose him. What nonsense.
Mama, call her. If it's phone call, call her. If you want to come to the city,
don't worry.
come to the city.
I will do that. And you know you're a very good friend. Thank you. Thank you for telling me this.
Thank you, Mama.
I will handle it myself.
Jay, I think you should minimize how you visit me here in the office. Because it distracts me from work.
My love, what are you trying to do? I mean, are you trying to discard me already?
No, I wouldn't do that.
But that's what you're doing. Because you're so busy, I mean, extremely busy for me these days. What is actually the problem? Is anyone bothering you?
No, not that. It's just that I have so much work that I just need to get all of this done. I need to complete this work. That's it. I'm sorry.
Your weeks is just giving you away, babe. So much is bothering you, but I don't want to speak.
And
listen. What about our wedding? Everyone is worried, especially my mother.
Can we talk about that later? Please.
Why?
What is it? I think the last person who went out then shut the office door properly. That's it.
I see. All right. What I'm saying is,
I don't know.
We need to. Babe, who are you talking to?
No one.
Babe, you're talking to someone.
Jay, I said no one.
No, you're talking to someone.
Jay,
who are you talking to?
Can I concentrate at work, please? Please, let me get this done.
Alright. Babe. My love. And I was thinking, it's been long since we hanged out, so I'm thinking maybe we just, have lunch in a beautiful restaurant tomorrow. What do you say?
You know what?
Hey, babe, please don't say no. Please.
Okay, fine. I'll come with you, but when I'm less busy.
I'll take that as a yes, so we'll see tomorrow.
That's okay. Can I walk now?
I love you.
Who is home?
You're welcome, sir.
Kito, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good.
I'm fine, sir. Sir, we made something yummy for you, and I know you will like it.
Really?
Yes, sir.
It's alright, thank you. So, where is my wife? Sweetheart!
You're welcome. I missed you.
How are you?
I am good. How was your trip?
Good.
You're
Good. Where is my son?
He stepped out a while ago.
Oh, really?
Yes. Please sit down. Sit down and just me. Just me.
Yeah.
Oh, honey, I hope you got me the list I sent you.
Oh, my bad. I forgot again. Don't worry. I will monetize it as usual.
Oh, that's how I love you. That's why I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I really missed you.
Ago, please, whatever you have done, you have to end it. Please, I am begging you.
No. We have gone too far to stop.
I hope you know the consequences when it comes.
He'll fire me, right?
Good. Thank God you know.
And that's not a problem. Eh? What matters to me is that I am very close to my investment.
What is wrong with you? Well, my own is that you just have to be careful. You really have to be careful.
Bros, relax your mind, not to worry yourself. I heard his father is back.
Yes, so they said. He'll be resuming soon.
Oh, that'd be great. I'd love to see him. Funny enough, I've not met the man I'm working for.
You want to see the man?
Yes, now.
You see him when he resumes.
Hey! How'd your babe?
She's visiting by the weekend.
Lover boy! Lover, mister!
Honey? Lunch is served.
Oh.
And I would like to go down the road to pick some stuff. But you don't look too good. Are you sure everything is alright?
I'm fine. It's just some office stuff. Okay?
Really?
Yeah.
If you say so. Let me be going now.
It's alright.
So if you need anything, call Kito.
Okay.
She'll be at your beck and call.
Alright.
But what matters is that you're here with me.
You're not a big woman, no.
Oh, please. I pray that God gives us long life to achieve everything we've ever dreamed for.
Amen.
Come inside. Let me show you some more.
Goodness me! Look at this house.
The way.
Agungo, my guy.
Agoma, my guy. Agoma, what is happening now? Each time I come to your place, your door is always locked. Oh, you traveled. Can't see now. Can't You don't mean it. Wait. You mean you saw her in the same office? Say no more, Agoma. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to her house. Her mother must provide her. Agoma, I was good there now. You know, that woman is evil.
Secretary,
Yes, sir.
tell me. I need the truth.
Okay, sir.
What have you noticed about her lately?
Yes, sir. I think she is one of our new assistants.
What do you mean by that?
I saw them kissing.
What?
I think there's something going on between them.
Hold on. Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, sir.
You saw them kissing or about to kiss. I need you to be very specific here.
I saw them kissing.
I go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go. I'm a little more.
Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. Listen, I need you to keep an eye on her. In fact, on them. Two of them.
Okay, sir.
Report to me if you see or suspect anything.
Okay, sir.
Alright?
Okay, sir.
Thank you for the
I
information.
go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go. I'm a little more. My love, I go do anything for you.
Mike.
Good day, sir.
I called you here because I can't find Omalisa's car around. Where is she?
Oh, she didn't come to work today, sir.
What?
Yeah, she didn't come to work today.
She didn't come to work today?
Yes, sir.
So it is true.
What's true, sir?
Where is that new secretary, that bastard? Where is he?
Bastard? He equally did not come to work, sir. Is anything the matter, sir?
This is making more sense, sir. Listen, Mike. If that bastard comes to this office again, if you see him, tell him that I said I will deal with him personally. I will deal with him for trespassing. And go back to your office.
Thank you.
Mama, Malita.
Who is that stupid place? Ogini!
Mama Malita, if you know where you keep Omalita, your daughter, who have you sold Omalita to?
Aguba, if you do not leave my compound now, I will do something to you that you will regret for the rest of your life.
Oh dear. Mama Malita, imalo onye lejela Omalita te kpochi eti azu. Jekwa kpochi yeto Omalita azu. Mama Malita.
Aguba, leave my compound.
I will not leave you.
Aguba, leave my compound. I will deal with you.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything, Mama Malita. Mama Malita, go and bring Omalita back.
Wait, you want Omalita here? You want me to bring my daughter? Wait, I'll bring
her.
Shall you come over here?
Investment. I mean.
Mama
Malita. Mama Malita, kwa mumbili.
Idiot. Come and stand now. Useless boy. Now, Piogarika village, keep meandering all over the village.
Of course, I love you more. You know what? I was thinking, how about if we go on a vacation, just you and I? It would be so awesome. As always. Oh, and you're making me blush.
Where is that bastard? Where is he? Where is that idiot?
Idiot?
You heard me? I said, where is he?
Baby.
Don't you dare baby me. You hear me? Don't you dare baby me, you liar. Where's that going?
Well, as you can see, I'm alone in my office. I don't know where he...
So he's been all this while. So he's been able all this while, right? I will so deal with that bastard. I will deal with that one next time he hears my name. He will run as fast as his legs can carry. As for you, manager, you have the guts to lie to me. You're very lucky. You're very lucky I love you. I would have given you a dirty slap that even the hospital will reject you. Don't you dare baby me.
Baby, wait. Wait! Baby, wait!
Father, I won't have this. I mean, this madness has to stop, Father. You must sack that bastard you employ. What is all this? I mean, what is the meaning of this, Father?
Which bastard are you talking about?
Agunwa, of course. Agunwa, the man you employed into your company. That idiot has been on my case. I mean, he's even dragging on Manisha with me. To make matters worse, Father, he's fighting me. I mean, he fought me. What's this?
This is unbelievable. Incredible. I mean, I'm beginning to think that I made a mistake allowing him to work in my company. Anyway, son, just calm down, okay? Calm down. I will handle it, okay?
Father, there's no way I will calm down. In fact, the only way I'm going to calm down is if you sack that bastard. Father, if you don't, I swear to God, I am going to kill him. I will kill him and face the consequences, Father.
But women, I don't know. Women of nowadays, what has overcome them? I mean, how could Omalicha of all people stoop so low to do this kind of a thing? Going to date my staff? Your own woman? No.
Father, just make my point. I don't want to mention Omalicha's name in this because it's obvious that he might be doing something on that innocent girl. Omalicha is innocent, so take her out of this. Father, please, for the sake of peace, let that guy leave that office. Else I am going to do the... Father, I am going to do something that all of us are going to regret it.
Just calm down.
You shouldn't bring the other side of me, Father.
Just calm down.
Father, you shouldn't bring the other side of me. Please, sack him.
It's okay. Omalicha. Sorry.
I have always told you to keep calm with your mother. Look at your head. See, it's plastered up.
I'm watching him insult you and your mother. That's it.
Who cares about the insult? I don't. Okay, see what you've done. I'm sure he's busy searching everywhere just to arrest you with the police.
Who cares about that? I'm waiting for him. Let him come and arrest me.
The pain of it all is, I don't know what Chief and his wife must be thinking about me.
It doesn't matter, babe. Okay? What matters is what I think about you. And I'm protecting my investment, my woman, and I will do that for you. Listen, I can even take a bullet for you. For your sake. That's what matters, not them.
Obi, I'm sorry about your head.
It's okay. In fact, you're not going to work at that office again.
No.
No. You'll be at home here till we figure out what to do. You're not going to go back to that work. I don't want to lose you like the other time.
You won't lose me because I need to work so we can feed at least.
I will take care of you. You will be in this house. I will hustle, I'll run around. I'll provide anything you need until we're able to stand on our own, please.
Very possible.
You on top of the world today. Does not mean
I don't care. I can fight the whole world, but I can't fight you.
Why are women so stupid and greedy?
It's funny that it's coming from a woman that our fellow women are stupid.
See this one. When you
you guys don't mind that in check.
I will so deal with them. I will frustrate them, especially that fool, that bastard called Aguma.
Wait, is it not that same Aguma that fought you back then in the village?
I'm telling you. He has the balls, he has the effort to show his stupid face here. And to think that he's working my father. Well, that makes it easy for me. I mean, that makes it easy for me to crush him.
Bro, you need to calm down.
Are you okay? I mean, why are you asking me to calm down?
Bro, either of which, it's going to get better. So calm down.
Ken, are you normal?
Okay.
I'm talking about someone taking my girl away from me and you're asking me to calm down. What's wrong with you?
J-boy, don't tell me you're still thinking about that Omanicha. Come on, my friend, there are still lots of beautiful girls out there that can even love you more than she did.
I'm not looking for other girls. I am not in love with other girls. I'm in love with Omanicha. She brings me so much peace. So much love, so much happiness. She brought light into my world, so there's no way I'm going to let another man just show from nowhere and take it away from me. Never.
Okay.
It's impossible.
Bro, I love to emphasize clearly yourself. Don't you think what's happening now is called karma? Yeah. He took all what his and he's back to get it.
What nonsense are you talking about? I don't understand. What do you mean I took over? What was his? What did I take?
Let me emphasize. You took Omalicha from Aguma because he was poor. And then fate turned it around. Alright? He went through that length to get her back from you. Don't you think you should give this guy his flowers? Apparently he has fought for love. You should be proud of him.
You're very stupid, Ken. You know, you're very lucky that you're far from me. I would have given you a very silly punch in your mouth. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with all this? No, are you here to console me or you're here to make mockery of me?
Don't mind this boy.
You bastard! I'm talking about someone taking my girl away from me and you're here saying rubbish.
I'm sure if you were the one that you don't go drink snipe yourself.
You would not accept the fact that you know the truth and you're supporting him.
Hey.
Are you done drinking? Get out.
No vex.
Don't mind
don't care. You can leave my house now.
I get more for you. Don't tell me that, bro.
J-boy, it's okay. Sorry.
Omanicha, what is wrong with you? I mean, why are you this stubborn?
Ruth, is it bad to love someone?
Wait a minute. You're squatting someone that does not have future.
You're not God.
Aguma does not have future. Me and you know that one. This house you're living in, J-boy got it for you. The work, J-boy got it for you. So what is it that Afonwa will give you that J-boy has not given to you?
Love and memories.
You heard her. Love and memories. Are you not ashamed of yourself? A grown-ass woman like you coming to advise someone who is 100 times better than you are. Don't you think of your life? Since you started job hunting and man hunting, what have you grabbed? Anyways, which man would look at you when all you do is move from house to house and gossip about others?
Are you talking to me? No, like, are you referring to me?
If you do not take your sorry self out of this place now, I'll plaster your obituary all over the place.
Is this poverty?
I said,
Babe, stop talking with your poverty!
Get out! Come on, get out!
Hi. TB. We shouldn't have dragged her out like that. You know she's still my friend.
There are some friends you need to cut off immediately. She's number one.
Come on, babe.
Babes, food is ready. I made your favorite.
You cooked already?
Yes.
Let's not forget, yes, I have to go get some food stuff. We're running out of stock as well.
Don't worry. Just write out the list. I'll go get them myself.
No. I wouldn't want to stress you. Because
don't worry. You're not going anywhere, okay? I'll go get them and prepare them for you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
No.
I don't want to lose you again. So you just sit your pretty self here till I'm back. Okay?
Okay.
See ya. Let me prepare the food.
Okay.
So you mean for some days she has not been to the office?
Yes.
This man wants to dare me in this town. Agon, I will so deal with you. I will so deal with you mercilessly. What if Agon was the new secretary?
We have not seen him since that incident occurred.
What? He has not come to the office too?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, manager. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you very much.
How's Chief doing?
Well, Chief is fine. He's doing well.
My regards to you.
Of course, he will hear. All right, return back to your office.
Bye.
Agunwa, what has come over you? You know you're stubborn.
Relax, nothing is happening. We are safe here.
I hope so. Because the tone he spoke was so scary. I'm only here as a friend to tell you to be careful and watch your back.
I know.
It's okay. How's Asa? How's she doing?
She's fine. She's sleeping inside.
I commend the way you fight for your woman. I'm super happy for it. Right. But you just have to be careful.
It's okay. I will, okay? Forget about that talk. Abeg, what would you like to drink?
No, I'm fine. I'm filled. I was going to somewhere, so I decided to just check up on her.
That reminds me. How's that your babe self? What's her name?
Agunwa. Like you've forgotten about my woman's name now because you're living with a woman now.
No, not that now. You know that.
No. It's fine. Agunwa.
Why do you think like this now?
No problems. Gloria is fine.
Oh,
Gloria is right now.
Yeah.
She'll be visiting soon. She just finished her exams.
Oh, great. Congratulations to her.
Okay. No problems.
Son, you need to calm down. Everything will be fine. Please.
How do I just calm down? I swear to God, Mom. I will deal with that bastard. I will deal with him.
I know. But we need to put yourself together. Okay? I have instructed the manager to sack him with immediate effect.
That's better, Mom. I mean, that's better because if I see him in the office again, I swear with everything I've got, Mom, I am going to kill him and face the consequences.
Do you know where my problem lies? My problem lies with that girl, Omalicha. I am so disappointed in her. So deceptive. But it's okay.
My lover, I could do anything for you. I could do anything for you. Omalicha, my lover, I could do anything for you. I could do anything for my lover. My lover, I could do anything for you.
Babe.
How?
I'm fine.
Who is he?
Can I listen to you?
Mr. Man, if you don't get out of here now, cut off your neck.
No. See, you do not have fear at all. You do not have fear in you at all.
Who is this man?
Please.
Why are you doing like a cuckoo?
I...
You? I think it out of here before I cut off your neck, okay?
In the house I paid for.
No.
You must be stupid. You must be silly. In the house I paid for.
Get out of here. Hey!
Small Oga, your parents said I should come and call you. Sir? Sir?
What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why can't I have a peace? Why can't you people let me be in this house? What is wrong with you?
He slapped me!
What?
J-boy? Slapped you?
You did what? Why can't I have my peace, father? I mean, why can't you people let me be? Let me be father.
You slapped her because of what?
Let me be father. Please,
Let me have that drink. Let me have that. Let me have that drink.
Stop.
I said, let me have the drink.
Why are you behaving like a baby? Why can't you be a man?
Father, let me be, please.
Peace!
Just let me be,
like
father.
this!
Let me be! Peace.
What peace are you talking about?
What's all this, father?
Huh? A lion has given birth to a goat! Idiot! Look at you!
Father.
You can't even be a man! Shit!
Because of a woman.
Mom, please, can you just let me have my peace, please? Go with him. Mom, please, go with him.
You yourself the more with alcohol. You think you can have your peace by taking so much alcohol into the system? Is that what you think? You can never have peace by taking in so much alcohol. See, you have slapped that girl that has done nothing to you because of alcohol. Does that mean peace? Does that mean peace?
Nebiko, if it is that bad, you better come back here. Come back to this village and stay with me, Biko. I don't want anything to happen to you. It's because she's a good friend now. She's looking out for you. But why will you even choose Agunwa over J-Boy? Agunwa of 4 people. Ogin in a medagi. I don't want anything to happen to you. That's what I'm saying, Biko.
I will be fine, Mama.
Okay. So, what is his parents saying? What are they saying?
So what do you want them to say? Their son they are going to be thinking about. So they would want to make sure that their son is happy. And that's not what happens.
Should I come over? Let me come and stay with you. Let me come over now, or better still, come back here. You're sure you're fine? Okay, Ngwanu.
Hey Jay, good morning.
Hold your greetings. I'm not here for that. Go in there and call that bastard. Tell him to come here and face me man to man.
Why are you... What's going on out there? A minute, I'll be right back.
Jay. You brought the police to...
You must be silly to ask me such a stupid question. I said, go in there and call a bastard.
He's not here!
What do you mean? Are you covering for him? Omancha, are you covering for him?
Then ask the police to go in and search for him.
Alright. Fine. Tell that bastard to get ready for me. By the time I'm done with him in this town, let him run as far as less than carry. Cover him as much as you can.
Talking to you.
What is it?
Please, I am begging you to release him.
I am not going to release him. You hear me? I am not going to release him. As a matter of fact, he's going to remain there until I decide what to do with him.
You are not getting anything from this. Please, I am pleading with you. Release him.
So what have I done to you? I mean, what? Why do you want to go back to that guy? That idiot, that fool! What can he do for you that I have not done for you? I gave you a new house. I took you on a vacation. I gave you a new life. I took care of your mother. Yet I changed everything about you. What does he want from me? Why are you treating me like this? This is so unfair. I'm sorry. Okay, look. I'm sorry I shouted at you. Please. Babe, why don't you want to kiss me?
Jay, can we not do this right now? Can you please release him? Please.
You're still talking about Agoma. That reminds me. What was my father's picture doing in your house? Who kept it there? Because the last time I checked, I never gave you my father's photograph. I come to think of it. That was his old photograph. Who kept it there?
Well, I wouldn't know. Aguma usually holds a photograph, or I didn't check the photo to know who is on it. I don't know.
Aguma kept my father's photograph in your house? So he has been planning this all along. Aguma wanted to kidnap my father.
No.
Is that the kind of bastard you want to spend?
No!
A criminal?
He wouldn't do something.
What are you talking
like that.
about?
Jay, come on.
Don't touch me! Are you part of this?
No,
a criminal?
He wouldn't do something like that.
What are you talking about?
What are you even saying? He's not that person.
So what my father's photograph doing in your house?
I wouldn't know.
There's something you're hiding from me.
Stop this. Stop this.
Is that something you're hiding from me?
Release
Don't
him.
touch me! There's something you're hiding from me.
You know what? I can't deal with you when you're like this. I'm out of here.
Babe? Babe? Shit! What have I done?
Fool! So, how do you know that he tried to kidnap me?
Now look at this. Is this not your photograph? That I found this in Omalcha's room the moment it was being taken away by the police. This is your photograph.
Well, I need to see that Aguma boy.
What? You want to see him, Dad?
Yes.
All right. Well, he's at the police station.
I need to see him. Now. Let's go. Let me just... Aguma Obi. So how did you know me?
Are you not the one in the picture?
How did you get that picture?
was given to me by my mother before she died.
So, who is your mother, my son?
Agnes Obi. She died of breast cancer. So you're my father?
Yes.
You're evil. You're very wicked.
You won't understand, my son. You can't.
You let me? Who told you where I was?
My son. Your brother. Well, don't worry.
Who is your son?
J-boy. You are here now. I'm here for you. Everything will be fine. Okay?
J-boy is your son?
Ah, welcome to your home, son.
Thank you, Father.
Father, what's going on there? What is this? What did you do here?
J-boy, I think it's time we amended the wrongs of the past years. Let us go into the house.
Let's go. No way, Father. No way. There's no way this lunatic is entering this house. Get out.
J-boy!
Father said you should get out!
J-boy, don't get me angry. What's wrong with you? Huh? I said let us go inside. If you want to hear me out, let us go in there so that I can talk to you.
Father, let's go.
Father, no way. There's no way this idiot is entering.
Is something wrong with you?
Father, I said he's not going anywhere.
Are you okay?
Father, I don't like this, Father. I don't like this.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go. I'm a rich my love.
Sweetheart,
I go do anything.
I'm deeply sorry. The truth of the matter is that it wasn't intentional for me to hide such a sensitive information from you. You know, circumstances beyond my control actually forced me to. Okay? So I'm sorry.
How do I react to this? Oh my Lord. How do I react to this right now? Because I cannot wrap my head around this whole situation. But let me ask you, are you trying to say that that fluffy thing is your son? I see. But lend me your ears, honey. You see that thing? He can never be a part of this peaceful family. Never! Not on my watch!
Mom, I do not have time for this nonsense discussion you people are having here. Father, listen, it will never work. See that bastard you brought in here as your son? It will never work!
Will you keep quiet?
Alright.
I'm talking to my wife.
It's okay.
Idiot. Sweetheart, his mother and I were deeply in love, you know. At a point, she was terminally sick, you know. And financially, I wasn't stable. So I had no option but to abandon her. And I came to the city to hustle, right? But I wasn't oblivious of the fact that she was pregnant for me before I left. So that was what happened.
Did you listen to yourself? Like, did you hear what you just said? Anyway, I don't care what you said or what you're about to say, but bottom line is that thing can never be a part of this family, and that's final! That's final!
Dad, let me say this here now. I don't want to insult you because you're my father. If that bastard you brought here spends one night in this house, Father, you won't like it. You will not like my action, Father. I will forget the fact that you're my father and I just said, I have made my point.
Will you stop pointing your fingers at me?
You will not say this.
Stop pointing your fingers at me. Are you mad?
You want to destroy the peace of this family and I will allow you.
I will slap you if you slap me. Point your fingers at me, Father.
Are you only because of that bastard? Slap me because of him, Father. Go ahead and slap me.
Rubbish. Please sit down. Please, I don't want any complications. Sit down.
From the news, I have another son.
At least now that he's out of prison, maybe we'll come back to his senses. So, where is he now?
Well, girlfriend, that's why I called you. I wanted to talk to you.
About what?
Well, you know, Chief Obi has only one son.
Yes.
Like we thought.
Yes, that's J-Boy.
In fact, J-Boy happens to be his second son.
I don't understand.
Okay. Let me explain it to you. You remember I told you Agu's mother died a couple of years back and she was critically ill, right?
Yes.
And I also told you her husband left her when she was critically ill because he was not financially stable to take care of herself then.
Oh, manager, I remember that also. Go straight to the point. My head is already doing kitty kitty kata kata.
Guess who her husband is?
Who?
Chief Obi.
Hold on, I don't understand. Are you trying to say Agunwa is Chief Obi's son, or Abi Chief Obi is Agunwa's father?
Yes, to both questions.
Hey! We're still favored now. Hey, he's still favoring us now.
What do you mean?
That J-Boy or Agunwa, are we not still favored? What are you talking about?
Are you sure you're okay? All this proves to me, you know what? I can't even deal with you right now because the only reason I see that you're not married is because of this, your greed, your evil-mindedness and money-mindedness. Come on, what is this?
Is it me that you're talking to like that?
Please, just shut your mouth. Don't argue this one. I'm just thinking, like, do you even think that I wanted to even go with J-Boy in the first place? I don't know what oh God. All I need to do right now is to see her go. You know. Then perhaps call my mom, tell her everything that is happening.
This is still turning my eye. The poor Agunwa, a billionaire.
Bro, don't make me regret calling you.
No, but is it not Agunwa again?
What's this one?
Is it not a surprise to you? How would you tell me that Agunwa is a billionaire? How would they wear monkey coats now?
As your birthday present.
Are you for real, Father?
Of course,
oh my God. Oh my God, this is wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much, Dad.
I'm happy you like it.
I love it.
With this, your logistics will be smooth.
I believe so, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
No
Dad.
problem. Look, son, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to ask me.
I sure will, Dad. Thank you. I really appreciate this.
No problem.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Oh my God!
Thank
Agunwa, or whatever useless name they call you. I can see your temporary stay in this house is becoming something else.
J-boy, Dad bought me a new car.
Who cares? Listen, the next time you touch any of my things again, even my clothes, I'll make sure you die that day.
J-boy, what is wrong with you? Huh? You walked in here, you didn't even greet me? And your brother, today's his birthday, you didn't even wish him well?
Oh, Dad, please stop. Not cut out for any useless conversations.
Mind the way you talk to Dad.
What? You now have the balls to talk back at me? I don't blame you. He's my father. You go look for your father. Idiot. Burn the clothes, I do not need them.
Don't worry. Everything is fine, okay? I admire your peaceful way of approaching things, okay? You are just like your mother. It's just that even though your mother is very peaceful, but when it comes to money, you cannot predict her. She's something different.
All the same, thank you very much, Father. I really appreciate this.
No problem.
Can I drive it around?
Enjoy your ride. I'll be inside.
All right, then.
I invited Omalicha here to let us know who amongst two of you that she would want to spend the rest of her life with. What I don't want is someone leading my sons on.
Father, listen, I don't know the reason for this useless meeting you just called. I don't know the meeting. I don't know the essence of this meeting. She's wearing my ring, Father. You know the meaning of that. I just engaged her. What does you want her to say, Father? I mean, what exactly do you want her to say?
J-boy, you already insulted me. You called my meeting useless. On top of that, you were pointing your fingers at me. I'll let it pass. But I want to tell you, we have to allow her to speak for herself. Okay?
All right.
Omalicha.
Yes, sir.
Who amongst my sons would you want to spend the rest of your life with?
The thing is, Jerry is such a good man. He's really nice. He's done a lot for me. He's taught me how to invest and manage money.
He is the reason why, sir. The reason why
going to school in the first place. The reason why my mother is alive till today. I'm not saying all of this because I found out this the first time. The truth is, love is my first love, and I still love him. I'll go with him.
What's this madness you just said? I mean, what's the meaning of all this nonsense you just said now? What's the meaning of it? I said, what is the meaning of it?
Does not mean that you're gone, that you're gone. I am irritating one more people. I am irritating one more people. I am irritating one more people.
Told you, don't tell me anything, father. Don't tell me anything. You better take him as your brother. What nonsense? You better accept. You have not seen anything, father. You have not seen anything. Really? You cannot just go out on the street and put one idiot and bring him here and impose him on me. You are not my son. He's a bastard. Be careful. Be careful this much. Therefore, we can't see what you just said. What you just said is just a tip of the iceberg. By the time I'm done with that idiot, father, I am going to burn this house. Mark my words, I am going to burn this house. Burn which house? You want to enjoy the peace you have been enjoying this house. Now burn this house. Burn which house, big judge? Burn which house? Did you just love me because yes, I did. I am leaving you. Just don't push me. Father, don't push me. You're still fighting. I am going to answer you because you're still fighting. You're sorry. What's all this? I think someone from nowhere. I want to impose on me. I would. Hey.
That means Chief really loves Agoma to let you come stay with them.
It's not like I'll be staying there permanently. I'll still be visiting though. Okay?
Omechi, I'm not comfortable with this. What if J-Boy hurts you?
Well, I know things and I know it's not easy for him right now, but he'll get used to it. Over time, he's going to realize everything. I'm sure everything will just fall into place. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Hello? Baby? What? When? How? Where are you both? Okay, I'm coming right there. Alright.
What happened?
Chief. He's dead. They said he said they had a fight and he slumped when he saw them fighting, I think. You know what? Yo, let me just get reset and pick one or two things.
J-Boy, you must make sure that you claim all your father's property.
Don't worry, Mom. I will get it all. As for that fool, Agoma, I will make sure he suffers in this house. As for Malicha, if you dare betray my love, I will make you suffer. I will make her go through pain for betraying my love, for choosing Agoma over me. I will make them suffer. They will wish for death, but death will be far from them.
As we all know that our brother, Chief Obi, is no more.
it's right we share his property equal amongst you. I still remember his last wish. I mean, his last message. He told us, we his brothers, that immediately he dies, his property must be shared equally.
Uncle, all I'm saying is, as the only son of Chief Obi, my loving father, I own all his property. The cars, the mansions, the estates, including the ones scattered abroad. As a matter of fact, including this one, this very mansion we're seated in.
So what becomes of me?
And how is that my business?
Chief was also my father.
Uncle, want this bastard here never to interfere in family business again.
What?
I mean, there was no DNA carried out to ascertain if this lunatic here is actually my father's son, let alone the first son. Now my dad is dead. He shows up from nowhere, claiming inheritance. What I was expecting this lunatic to do was to go on his knees and plead with me if I will accept him as my gateman or even my driver. He said, speaking rubbish.
Did I hear you say driver?
Yes, Mom.
He gets nothing out of Chief's property, and that's fine now.
What are you talking? This is not fair now. Chief is also my father. Uncle?
Agonman, traditionally, we don't know you. You don't belong here. In as much as our late brother claimed you back before his demise, we don't even know if your mother is telling us the truth. So as for now, leave us.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you. Let me quickly say this here now. You see that car my father bought for you before he died? I need you to drop the keys.
You
heard? Don't push me.
You heard
me.
I'm not going to keep on my
father. Get out of this place. What's wrong with you?
You are going to leave here before tomorrow.
No, let us conduct that.
Tomorrow
we have to conduct that DNA to find out the truth.
You must leave this place first.
Now.
You must leave first. Leave my house.
I am not going to leave my inheritance. I'm putting out my investment. It's only not my inheritance.
Uncle, okay.
You are going to argue that outside this house.
He gave from this house. I'm waiting for you to push me out.
Else. Aguma, don't stay.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. You can't come over to the house now, please. No. You know that my friend, the one I told you about, Agunwa now. Yes, he's here with his girlfriend. Yes, they are having accommodation issues, so I'm just trying to help out. But as soon as I finish with them, I'll be coming over to your place. Alright, thank you. Sure. Agu. Sorry, my girlfriend.
Oh, it's okay.
You don't have a problem. You guys can stay as long as you want.
Mike, thank you very much. Thank you, Mike. God bless you.
No problem. She understood.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, my only regret was not a test done while he was alive.
Baby, you don't have to dwell in the past. Trust me, everything will come together just in time.
Yeah, she's right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, babe, you're welcome to my house, and I want you to feel free. Just relax. Take care as your home, okay?
Thank you.
Agu, let me just leave the both of you. I'll be inside.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right.
Thank you very much, Mike.
Udo.
Lost our home, our jobs, everything. Why so
We haven't lost our lives. I believe when there's life, there's hope. Right? Let's take it one step at a time. It will work out to be
Yes,
can never start afresh. I will go back to square one. I will work and earn a living and change our situation.
Now, how do we do that?
I have some savings left in my account. We'll just get an accommodation of that range, move into it, and then pick up the pieces of our lives.
Can I also have some resources savings?
Thank you, Manita. Thank you. Thank you.
This food is delicious. Trust Kito when it comes to the kitchen. The environment. Son, guess who I saw today?
Who, Mom?
Take a wild guess.
Mom, you know I'm not in the mood for guessing.
I saw Aguma. The issue is not seeing Aguma, but where did I see Aguma? Wonders they say shall never end. I saw Aguma hawking sachet water. Hey, he wants to come and drag what I suffered all these years to me.
We have not seen anything yet. This is just little compared to what is yet to come. They have not seen anything yet. They will suffer and suffer until there will be nothing left of them. Hi. Good day. Uncle?
My son.
Welcome. Mom? Okay.
Most welcome.
What's up?
This is the family life. And we have something to say.
Oh. All right, lawyer. I'm listening. Let's hear you.
What about the other son?
Which son are you talking about?
Chief has 2 sons.
Are you mad? No, are you insane or something?
Ask him. Which son are you talking about? My son here is the only son that you've had. There is no other son anywhere. Or do you know what's any other one?
Unfortunately, ma, Chief has 2 sons. And he instructed that his family be present before the will be read, including his 2 sons.
That's madness. Listen, my late father never told me any of this nonsense you just said now.
I knew about it, son.
What?
Same here. I know about it.
Mom? Uncle, you knew about my late father's illness and you kept it away from me? You never told me, Mom. Why?
I didn't tell you because your father didn't open up to me either. It was Kito that found out the result whilst within the house some time ago. I was actually waiting for your father to open up and talk to me as well, but he didn't do that. So I didn't know how to start talking to you about it. I'm sorry though.
That's fine. We need to call him to ask if he's available or we should reschedule.
You fool, I am going to deal with you. I'm mercilessly.
It's alright.
Just calm down. It's alright. Lawyer. Yes. You said you're not going to say anything until he's present, right? Okay. Calling the idiot, of course. Hello? Yeah, I know you must be wondering why I called. Listen, tell Agunwa that his presence is needed here immediately.
The will of late Chief Obi goes like this. How are you all doing, my beautiful family? Indeed, family they say is key. I love you all. My darling wife, who has been taking care of me, I love you. My son, J-Boy, who has always been a good boy and has never brought bad name to this family. And my son, Agonwa, who has been a channel to remember old memories of my late wife, Agnes. I love you, son. You are indeed a brave man. And I pray that you find happiness with your heartthrob, Omalita. And please, do well to name my grandson after me when she puts to bed. I hereby state that the following properties be shared among my beautiful family. To my wife, she will be managing all my poultry farms at Enugu State, since she loves farming and other agricultural activities. And to my son Jay, he will be in charge of 20% of my properties in Port Harcourt, including the new house at the new site. While Agonwa, being the first son, will be in charge of 80% of my state properties, scattered all over the state. He will be the rightful owner to the mansion and the new CEO to the obese company, while my brothers will be given 20 million naira each for their love and support. I love you all. Please stay united till we meet in heaven.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Is that a will? No, is that a will? You think I don't know your plan? I think I don't know your plan? That's nonsense! There's no way that thing is what is. Uncle, please allow me.
Respect the lawyer.
What's that?
J-Boy, if you go contrary to this will, I will sue you. Yes, remember your father wrote this will.
Thank you very much, Barrister. Thank you. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
Thank you for adhering to my father's instruction. Chief Obinam, rest in peace. I will continue from where you stopped.
This is unfair. This is absurd. How can Chief chase me out of this house? How can Chief do this to me? After all these years? Huh? Oh, God. Oh.
Okay. First time. Get out. You're done, right? I said you're done. Get out.
Barrister, sit tight.
But I said get out!
You think I don't know your plan? No, you think I don't know your plan? You brought this child and baby royal to come and read this rubbish, this nonsense. I think get out of the house.
J-boy, do not let me use the authorities against you.
Agunwa. We shall see. Okay. You think I don't know your plan? You think I don't know your plan? You plan with this child and baby idiot. Agunwa. It's okay. We shall see.
Hey, Garuba, what are they for this house?
See, that Agunwa na better person. I don't just know why J-boy no just want to accept her.
I did tell you. Hey, it's so I like him. I like him. I just don't know. Yes, now.
I like her, she like him because if not, if like say na J-boy, when your papa just die like this, if I don't push you, if I don't sack all of us.
That one.
What if I explain and give? Say my security work where they use to make my city, they don't collect her. Chief security officer work.
Garba, your own is even because me, I know they ready to go back to that village at all. I rather die in this compound.
When you don't commit for village now, why you want to go back? How you go feel go back? Person we don't commit for village, how you go take you back?
Look at this idiot. So because say I come here, make I come discuss with. At least I discuss with that person. Who will be again?
Come on for here. Who want me to discuss with me? Come on.
Point of correction. I am the chief chef. You are just an ordinary gate man, useless boy.
No come here again.
Come and do waiting.
Every time you come here,
shift.
You don't see me inside there before.
Come shut up your mouth.
No, every time you come outside, they gossip. You don't even tell me to gossip.
Me they gossip. As if say you don't like what they tell you. Talk true, say you don't like what
I don't like
him. You don't like him.
Stay 1 minute.
Okay, talk true, say you don't like him. That.
No come outside here.
What are they doing for you? If you see me, come outside here.
Gossiper. We don't commit for village. How you go soon die for gossip? Ew.
Mom, please stop. Stop the test. Oh, sit. Oh, come on, Mom, please stop this now. Stop it. You know I don't like this. Mom, there's no need crying. Mom, we still have so much money. We're still wealthy. No, we're not poor yet. The house we are moving into is also a big mansion. There's no point crying, Mom. Listen. Everything will be fine. You know I just decided to calm down.
You need to calm down, son. You know that Agunwa is a troublemaker. And now that he has money, he may decide to hurt us.
Hurt us?
I only hurt people who have hurt me. You are free to stay back in this house because you're my father's wife. Even though you treated me very badly, and I might be tempted to treat you the same when you felt you were on top of the whole world. You see how the tides have turned? You see how so very wrong it is to treat people badly. I might be a fighter, you know, but I am not a bad person.
Listen, we are not fighting you. We are not fighting you anymore. Please, leave us alone.
You still haven't learned your lessons. You're still talking to your elder brother in that tone. I have never taken anything that belonged to you. I am the first blood from my father to come into this world. I was the first to meet Omalicha. You took them all away from me. I give you from now till tomorrow to leave this house. You may decide to stay like I told you earlier, but if you do not wish to, you might as well follow him. Good night, fellas.
Mom, listen, there's no way of staying here. Mom, there's no way you're staying in this house. If this idiot insults you, I won't find it funny. You're living with me. Mom, you hear me? You're living with me.
I'll live with you.
And please do remember to drop the car keys before you leave. It's very important. Very, very important.
I just wish I could strangle this idiot. I've never caused all this nonsense.
I never knew that events would turn like this. I should have been nicer to him, you know.
It's okay, Mom. Stop. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Mom, stop this now. Stop it.
Garba! 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 What are they still doing inside? Go inside and find out and drag them out.
Let's go. There's no need crying. Please. Everything will be fine. Alright?
This is so fair. This is so fair.
Ndebe Fobi. It's about time. I will see you when I see you.
Mom, let's go. Mind this idiot.
Where's it going? Hey, this way.
Don't start.
I told you no longer have access to any
Don't
car.
start. Mom, let's go.
Garba!
Don't start.
Mom, let's go. Direct them this way. Carry them.
What's wrong with this idiot? Don't touch me. How dare you?
Are you okay?
Don't start. Don't start, Agunwa. Don't start.
This way.
Mom, it's okay. Let's go.
This way. This way.
You'll regret this.
This
Mark
way.
my word. You will regret this.
Thank you. This way.
You'll regret this.
Babe. Yeah.
I feel for them though.
You don't have to feel for them. Nobody has ever treated me like I meant nothing than that woman. They don't deserve anything. Now their exit calls for celebration. So we're going to go in there and pop some champagne.
Well, at least they got something out of everything. They didn't lose everything after all. Besides, my mother says she's coming in today.
You don't mean it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're having triple celebration. So let's go inside, get things set. Now that Mama is coming, maybe we'll have some barbecue at the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Trust you. You know I'll always fight for you. You're my best.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you. Baby, no, carry me there, go. I'm a my love, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, I'm a my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world. People come and see my world. Investment, my lollipop. I don't want to lose you, my dear. Nothing can come in between us. I love you beyond anything, baby more. I love to see you happy, love you more. If I lose you, my dear, I will run mad, yo. From here, till you see them. I go do anything for you, Omaricha, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover, my lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world, investment. Come and see, Omaricha, the most beautiful, my world. Investment, we shall be together at the end of the time. No one can take you away from me. You are my happiness, you are my joy.